Welcome back, guys. How are you all? Just let me know that if you can hear me or not, or everything is cool or not. Before starting today's live, I really would love to say that I'll just try, okay? Because in Bangladesh, because of the protest, I'm not sure yet that I'll be able to do this live today or not. But I am just trying to make sure that I don't know what to say. Just let me know if you can hear me. I'm eagerly waiting for. Okay, there is the box. There should not be a box. Glad to see you back. Good morning. Okay, I guess there is a. Okay, it's okay now. Perfect. Just let me know if you can hear me or it's buffering. Just let me know that. Loud and clear. Perfect. Okay, we can hear it. Okay. So I guess it's okay. I mean, there is no buffering, nothing. All good. We hear you. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's try, guys. I'm not gonna promise that I will be able to complete today's live, but yeah, I will try to complete it. Okay. So let's try actually. One day. The internet is disaster. To be honest, it's disaster. So this is my daily chart for Nasdaq, and you can see this is the last fair value gap. Yesterday I outlined two line actually from to my Twitter. That was the first line below here. That was the liquidity around that area, and the second number was the 50% of that daily bullish fair value gap. So you can see price perfectly reached until the constant constant of that daily bullish fair value gap. This is the daily bullish fair value gap. Okay? Now today is actually the continuation of the expansion that should happen. I am not thinking that market is going to fall today. I'm not thinking like that. Why I'm not thinking like that? Because market has already taken all of the liquidity. I mean, around that area, all the liquidity has taken already. Market is now trading the last fair value gap to the daily fair value gap. So trend is your friend until it reach to certain area. As it has taken all the liquidity reached in this bullish fair value gap constant cosment, previously market has been rejected from the top. Look over here. To this bullish fair value gap, market has been rejected from the top. So it is confirmed that if market would love to go little higher, this constant encroachment is the next target. Until market reach to this constant encroachment, I am not thinking that market is going to reverse or retrace a little bit. So when it has reached to this constant encroachment, now I'm expecting some kind of retracement. That is by expectation. Okay. Again, the reason is first it has been rejected to the top. Now it is rejecting from the constant encroachment. This is the logic for thinking little bit retracement. I'm not saying that market is going higher again for all time high or something like that. No, I would love to see some kind of retracement. Now how far it will go, I don't know. We will see that, don't worry. So far you have to mark this bullish fair value gap from your daily chart. It's important. Okay, I think until now it's clear why I was looking for sell yesterday. Here this is my hourly chart, and to this hourly chart I would love to mark this week 50%. I don't know, did it retrace from the constant? Okay, it has been rejected from the constant encroachment of that week. I don't want to see body close below that constant encroachment. When I am expecting some kind of bull run, I will read your comment, guys. But before that, I would love to complete this thing first, okay? Because it's been a long. I didn't. I wasn't here, so I need to finish this first. So this week 50% is actually the last fair value gap. Yeah, I if market failed to reach to this 50%, I'm very happy. If market reach until the 50% that week, specific week, why this week? Because it has taken all the liquidity and it has traded the fair value gap around that area in kind of fair value gap it has traded by that week. This week has taken all the liquidity and traded the fair value gap. That's why this week 50% is important when I'm expecting some kind of bull run. I'm expecting some kind of bull run. I would love to see it will reject from that constant encroachment. If market fail to reach until the 50%, if market fail to reach until this 50%, then I will start to think that the retracement is gonna be too big. Okay, I mean it will go too much deep. When it will reach until the 50%, I will start to look for the body. Is the body closed below this 50%, or did it close at the level of the 50% or above the 50% of that week, specific week? So all you can see that market didn't close below this 50%. So far I'm okay. I'm looking for bull run and I'm okay because this 50% didn't breach. Okay, it didn't violate it. Here, if you see these highs around that area, all of these highs, how beautiful this resistance zone are. That was my tweet. I have tweeted 19309.50 something like that because I was in my phone. So randomly I just marked it, I guess 19309. That's why some of you guys got confused and I didn't reply any of you because still now let me show you. Okay, if I just go to this Twitter, see this is Twitter, it will, okay, by anyhow it actually logged in. Let's see if it can, I mean something like this. Okay, I don't know why, but it even didn't reach into this. So look over here, retry. Okay, I'm not even in, I just can't enter over here. Now it is working right now. Don't think that I'm lying to you, trust me brother, it was not, it wasn't respecting without the VPN. Now it is showing that I can enter into the Twitter, but it was not working. Okay, to be honest. So I didn't reply you because it was my mistake. I didn't mark that line specifically 19307.50. I guess I tweeted that 19309.50, something like that. But this was the buy side liquidity. I was looking for that buy side liquidity. Okay. So from hourly chart, that is my intention that market is actually reaching for that buy side liquidity. I'd love to go to 15-minute chart now. Don't think that I was lying. Okay, to be honest, Twitter is extremely, I mean I was unable to enter into the Twitter. So this is the 15-minute chart over here. From 15-minute chart, this is that buy side liquidity around that area. This is that buy side liquidity. This is the new day opening gap. I marked the new day opening gap. I didn't mark the 50%. If you want to mark the 50%, you can mark it because the 50% is extremely important. Please mark the 50%. Here, this daily fair value gap, I'm gonna remove from my chart. I mean, from this 15-minute chart, I'm gonna remove it. So, minute chart, I would love to make it clean, okay? And the 50% of that specific week from hourly chart, I'm going to remove it as well. All you can see that this is the low which has taken all the liquidity. Then market has taken this low. Look, this low has taken by that week, failed to take the extreme low. You are expecting market will go higher. You saw that market went lower, take the liquidity, failed to take the extreme low. This is a sign that market is going higher. When you saw a big fall, after a big fall, what should you wait for? A bullish fair value gap. Now, where is your first bullish fair value gap? There was a bullish fair value gap, though it is a very small fair value gap. I mean, you can argue, but that was a very small fair value gap, to be honest. Here I can see a very nice bullish fair value gap around that area, here this area, here that area. So far market is trading this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Market tap to this bullish fair value gap where it is reaching for. Isn't it so clean that market is reaching for that buy side liquidity? Now, maybe you are able to frame a setup buy from there. Are you going to hold your trade until this buy side liquidity? Here is the part of the rules. I know you guys hate me because of my rules. I implement a lot of rules, but you have to understand that without the rules, these all things are gambling. So if you would love to follow some rules, perfect. If you don't mark it, I mean, I just how can I say? I mean, okay, oh man, sorry. The new opening gap should be from there. Okay, I just mistaken it. It should be from there to there, not there. So I'm sorry. Okay, to be honest, I'm sorry. So when you are going to look for buy, you know this is your buy side liquidity. Market is going to take that buy side liquidity. No problem. It can go for that, but remember this new day opening gap. It has the power to stop the price, send it back lower again. Look around that area. How many times market struggled to break that new day opening gap? How many times it has struggled to break that new day opening gap? Look from there. Okay, first market came here, used that new day opening gap as a support over there. It used as a support, went higher. Then it has broken by that specific candle. When it is broken, look how many times market is struggled with this new day opening gap to break, to go higher, take that buy side liquidity. Failed. Every single time market failed. I'm not sure that market is going one time by one time it is going through this new day opening gap and it's going to take that buy side liquidity. I'm not thinking like that. All I'm thinking that market is trying to reach for that buy side liquidity, but I can get some kind of rejection from this new opening gap. I can have that. So even if I am able to frame a setup from there, my range will be until the low of this new opening gap. Around that area. Okay, this is the rules. You can't hold your trade until this buy side liquidity. If you'd love to do that in that type of situation, you have to take some partial from there. So this is why I told to my Twitter that brother, I'm looking for buy. Though I know trend is my friend, though I know that uh, Thursday is the continuation of the expansion, but that doesn't mean that expansion has to be the same way I got in Tuesday. If it is toward the, I mean, sorry, not Tuesday, Wednesday. If it is the same expansion like Wednesday, that is over confirmed. I mean, over, comfortable. But it doesn't need to give me the expansion the same direction with Wednesday. It can have the opposite expansion as well. It can do the consolidation because market has already reached in a level, certain level, the daily fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, constant encroachment. When it reached until that area, it has done its job. Now it can spend some time over here, maybe 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. It can spend little time over there as a consolidation. Okay, after the expansion sometimes market do the consolidation, so it can be consolidated today, it can be the expansion. I am bullish until this buy side liquidity. When market will go through that buy side liquidity, I will start to look for that is it really would love to expand higher. Okay, the trend is confirmed or not. If the trend is confirmed, I will start to look for 1 minute things, these things. 1 minute, okay, market will take the liquidity, market stay fair value gap, boom. This type of things I will start to look for as a bullish. But if I see it is consolidating and by consolidation it has taken that buy side liquidity, I will start to think that today is not gonna be a big day, big range day. Instead of that, it's gonna be a very small ranging day. Okay, so until this buy side liquidity I'm bullish. After taking that buy side liquidity, I will see if I can get something or not. Okay, change new day opening gap, brother. Let me check, brother. I actually marked it. Just let me mark it clearly. I guess I'm right. I mean, I'm okay because this is the new opening gap, so there should not be any complaint. This is the new opening gap. Yeah, previously I marked it wrong, but now it should be okay. It should be okay. Anybody has any question? Oh, by the way, guys, to be honest, it's been a long, near about 8 days. I wasn't here. I'm feeling little afraid. Okay, to be honest, I'm not feeling comfortable. Not comfortable. Actually, what do I say? I mean, the way I talk today's today's talking will be little different. The reason is I was outside of this market, and I'm not, how to explain this one. Fear talk in front of people, something like that. I'm fearing. Okay, to be honest, I'm fearing. Okay, Tito, welcome back. Thanks in part to your content and streams. I requested my first payout on third XFS for 2K. You are the wizard. Oh, Ben Cruz, thank you. Oh, by the way, guys, I would love to say that if any of you started the Express account, that means you are earning the real money. Make sure that you have done. I mean, you have a notebook where you are taking every notes. How much money you are withdrawing. I mean, you have done withdrawal. What is that English word? I mean, make sure that you have an idea how much money you have earned from trading. Make it make the trading as a business. Okay, don't just withdraw some money, then no, don't do that. Okay, you should have an accounting book, something like that. You have to have some kind of accounting book so that you know how much money you are actually withdrawing from this market or from this trading. If you treat it as a business, this is all about psychology. Okay, so you have to understand that this is a business and you have to treat it as a business. Okay, but you always mark it wrong. I have said this 5 times and last time you shouted. Okay, no, I don't mark it wrong. Today I marked it wrong. But I never mark it wrong. Okay, today I marked it wrong because just before starting stream I just marked the new opening gap. Oh, no, no, not now actually. Did I? No, I marked it before actually, but the internet wasn't good at that time. But I don't shout if I marked it wrong. But I don't mark it wrong. If you if you see my previous stream, you will never be able to show me that I marked the new day opening gap or new week opening gap wrong. Today I marked it wrong. That's true. So guys, I will see if market can reach to that area or not. Okay. Brian, SMT is required. No, really, SMT right now. I don't look at SMT. I don't look at that. But yeah, if you would love to add it, no problem. There is no problem. Okay. If you would love to add it, no problem. By the way, guys, just 2 minute advertisement before starting 9:30 because I have just 3 minutes left. This is the Apex. If any of you are interested about the copy trading, then Apex is the best option in my opinion, where we have 80% discount. 150, 250, and 300K are just for $40. The discount code is NLCKHFMI. I'm gonna change it. I think very soon, okay? Because I have already 90 referral. I just need 10 more referral. After 100 referral, I'll be able to change it to Tit Wizard. So all my discount code will be the same. Right now, you have to take a little panic. buy that discount code. So if any of you interested to Apex trading, then you can use that discount code. I will suggest 150k only, because you know it's the perfect account size, okay, for trading. If you go for 250 or 300k, there is no problem, because all of them are at the same price, $40. But you will be greedy, it will be difficult for you to pass that one. It's my own opinion. If you pass the eval, then you have to pay $85 for for lifetime fees, okay. What to say, I mean, there is some kind of fees you have to pay for $85, okay? And here is the my forex, my funded future actually. And you can see that $50 50k account is just for $80. If you use the code T2 wizard, you will get the link and the code to my description. Then it's gonna be give you 5% discount, which is going to be $76, something like that, okay. You don't need to pay any other fees over here as well. I would love to, I mean, suggest 150k. It's up to you. So if any of you are interested about the funded futures, it's a great deal in my opinion, cheaper deal, okay. So yeah, T to 15-minute ERL has been taken out now, right? So what's the plan? Okay, have you ever heard that I talked about ERL or IRL? I mean, internal liquidity, external liquidity. I don't think so. There is a box. I guess this box will be gone. Just why this box is coming, I don't know. Okay, it's gone now. There's 9:30. We will see. Such how many trades to take in per day while clearing the account. Never ever do the overtrade. If you get a winning trade, just close your chart. One winning trade, close your chart. If you take a losing trade, try one more time, two time, you are done for that day. Whatever happens by your next trade, don't care. Just close your chart. That's all. So don't overtrade. Maximum two trade. If you get a winning trade by your first time, you are done. It's my thinking only, okay. My advice. Okay, I don't have anything. Just let me change the color. This is my opening gap. That's cool. This is the opening gap. I used your code yesterday. Thank you, brother. Uh, Dimmer, Dimmer, thanks, man. So here in this 1 minute chat, don't focus over there. Don't focus over here to this 1 minute chat. Focus to this 15-minute chat. What is happening over there? Just keep looking for that. What is happening around that area? It is now trading this 50-minute bullish fair gap. There is nothing wrong. It can trade that bullish fair gap. I don't want to see it will be violated. This bullish fair gap will be violated. I don't want to see that. Even I really don't want to see body close below the constant cosment of that bullish fair gap, as I am thinking that market is going for this buy side liquidity. So I need to see that market, this bullish fair gap will hold the price. Even I don't want to see a body close below the constant cosment of that bullish fair gap from 15-minute chart. So focus over here to this 15-minute chart, not over there. Here you will just keep an eye if you see a perfect market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity. Again, as I told, even if you are able to frame a buy setup, don't hold your trade hold your trade above this new opening gap. Can I look for a sell right now? I'm just not interested to look for sell. For looking for a sell, I will need more time. Okay, I need more time to look for a sell. you can see that market is falling from 1 minute chart. You can think that it's broken. No, this 15-minute parallel gap will be broken after the closing of this 15-minute candle. Until then, I'm not convinced that this thing has broken. That means it can keep falling until this area. There is nothing wrong. Then it will go back again and close above this 15-minute bullish parallel gap. It can happen because this is the Judas swing, in my opinion. I'm not thinking that market is falling. Can market fall? Absolutely, it can fall. There is nothing wrong. But I don't want to see that. I would love to see that market will keep going higher. When I will start to look for sell. Now it's a difficult question because for looking for sell, I need more confirmation. The way market was working around that area, it was a very nice setup for buying, not for selling. So for looking for sell, I need more information. I'm not confident to take sell around that area. I'm not confident. Okay, so I need more time or more price action for selling. At the same time, if any of you are trading through your real money, please go with your own trade. Okay, don't focus on my price action reading. The way I'm reading the price, it's just for learning, not for giving you the signal. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, Jamie. How are you, brother? By the way, how are you all, guys? I was just started my stream and then I started to talk about the price action. Oh man, that's bullshit. I should talk to you a little bit. Welcome back to Miss brother. Hey, Senji, welcome, welcome, man. Thanks for that greetings, man. Hey, Mystic, how are you, brother? What is the best copier, Robin Hood? What is the best copier? I really don't have any idea. If Tamimi or uh, Peter are there, they can help you about that. Okay, I really don't have any idea about the copier. Miss you, man. Well, miss you too, Adi. Okay, someone has donated. Sarjay Sivastan. Thank you, man, for that donation. Thank you so much, man. I hope you're doing great too. I'm okay, man. I'm okay. I'm perfectly okay. Thank you, Jumpin Jack. Jumpin Jack. Thank you, man. Until this candle is closed, I'm not saying that market has closed this parabolic gap. So I need to see this candle close first. At the same time, the 50% of that week is also important for me, though it's not a perfect week to look for, but I would love to see if it would love to fall, it is going to close below the 50% of that week. Then I will maybe look for the continuation of the expansion. But for that, I need more confirmation that market is actually falling. Without the confirmation, I just can't take sell or buy. So far, this is not good price action. There's nothing wrong for waiting. Good to see you back, bro. Thank you, numbers man. Thank you, man. Oh man, a lot of people are. I mean, a lot of you are giving me the greetings, and I am feeling like I got some brothers over here. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, all of you. Miss you all. Okay, I was just waiting when the internet will be back, and I will talk with my brothers again. And today, to be honest, the internet wasn't fast, but I tried and I thought, okay, if it doesn't work, then I will close. But let's try one time. So from 15 minutes so far, what do you see? Market fall too far. If it can close above the constant encroachment, I will be still bullish. Okay, until this buy side liquidity. As I told, I want to see this candle close first. How this candle is going to close. I don't care from 1 minute chart. Okay. Welcome back. It has been a minute. Thanks, man. Thanks so much. Bro, you are the big brother. Thank you, Nanda Kishore. You are the brother as well. CJ. Did you took any trades these days? Also, how's the situation there in your area or country? Okay, first of all, I was unable to open my chart. Okay, there was no internet, nothing. No internet. In Bangladesh, there was no internet. No way to go inside the chart. And secondly, the current situation nobody knows because still the internet is down. We are unable to, use the social media. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's not okay. We are even unable to send some photo, some message through messenger or WhatsApp. So to be honest, we don't know what is happening. But whatever happened, it wasn't good. It wasn't good. Okay, to be honest, it wasn't good. I'm looking this price action. Still now there is nothing. To be honest, there's just nothing. I will wait. But guys, keep that in your mind. Don't think that I'm gonna give you the signal. Okay, so you are going to take the entry. I'm gonna outline. No, please don't do that. If you do that, what to say? I mean, please don't do that. I'm not here to give you the signal. I'm here to just explain the price action. I was trying to come to live today. The reason was I need to explain this price action because I am like I'm fully confident that market is going higher. In that type of situation, when you see this type of fall, some of you start to think, no, it's not going higher, it's falling. So you start to look for sell. Now there is nothing wrong actually. To be honest, there is nothing wrong. You can go for that. Maybe market will fall. I actually let those sell go. I am not interested to take those sell. I'm absolutely not interested about that. Instead of that, I will keep waiting for the buy. If I get the buy, yeah, perfect. I will go for that. If I don't get it, okay, no problem. I'll just let it go. Okay, so this is why I'm here to show you that how to be patient. And the way I explained the price action over there, that is the sign that market is going higher to take that buy side liquidity. Now suddenly you saw market is falling, that big fall. You can simply think that no, market is not falling actually. It is going. Sorry, market is not going higher actually. It is actually going to fall. Don't get diversed. Okay, don't be diversed by that. Now over here actually, if I force the market, I can get the market structure shift. If I force the market, and yeah, I'm gonna force the market. I'm gonna take the buy if it can make a fair value gap over here. Now actually I'm unable to do that because still the the buy thing or something like that is not yet ready yet. So I'm gonna use this one. If it can come back again to this fair value gap, I'm gonna take the buy. It's a high probable buy setup for me. High probable buy setup for me. Again, high probable buy setup for me. If it doesn't work, I will simply say, okay, there is a problem. The stop loss is gonna be too big. Okay. In this type of situation, what I can do, I will wait until this area, the 50% of that fair value gap. Still, it's too big. No, I'm gonna let it go. I'm not interested to take that buy. Okay, I'm just not interested to take that buy. We're sorry for your troubles. Everything will go back to normal soon, inshallah. Inshallah, brother. Shanta feast, inshallah, brother. Hi, Titu. Hope you were good. Nice to get you back, bro. Thank you, brother. Thanks for welcoming me. Thank you. Thanks to all. So I'm not going to take this entry because the stop loss is gonna be too big. So I'm not interested to take this entry. I'll just let it go. But obviously I can use the use this tool. I'm not gonna take this entry. I wouldn't go for that entry, but I can use this tool, right? As I'm not taking this entry, This is the entry fair value gap. I'm just going to cover the breakaway gap over there. This is the breakaway gap. I'm just going to cover the breakaway gap. When it tapped to this entry fair value gap, I would be in the market here until this low of this new opening gap. And I would love to say that this is going to be my first partial. Okay, I'm not going to take that entry. The first reason is the stop loss is gonna be too big. I filter my trade by that. So here I covered the breakaway gap only, just breakaway gap, but my stop loss should be here, at least here below this breakaway gap. I should give little space over there because it's highly volatile. I'm unable to do that, so I will put my stop loss below this breakaway gap. Again, I am not interested to take that entry because the stop loss is gonna be too big. And you can see I got a stop out over here. I didn't take that entry. I will keep looking for this low. If market failed to take that low, close above this parallel gap again, then I will try to take re-entry. I am not going to take this entry again. The reason is the stop loss is gonna be too big. If it close above this parallel gap, I would go for that trade if the stop loss was too small. But as the stop loss is gonna be too big, I'm not gonna push my button. Instead, I will just use this one and I will see if it worked or not. Is that clear to you? So from 15-minute chart, it has closed below this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. It's a very bad thing. It's a very bad thing. I first would love to see that something like this. It will close above this fair value gap, tap to this fair value gap, it will go higher, something like that. Can I go for sell? As I told, for selling, I need more information for selling. I just can't look for sell right now. I just can't do that. I'm not feeling confident to take sell. Here, I'm not interested to take this entry again. Why? The reason is my stop loss is gonna be too big. If the stop loss was near about 15 handle, yeah, I would go for that trade because I'm able to get that small loss, but I'm unable to take 30 handle loss. I'm unable to do that. That's why I'm not interested to take that entry from there. I took the long on the order block. If you take the long from this order block, then you have to cover the low of this order block. Still, that's going to be a huge stop loss, brother. I'm not support those type of huge stop loss. I don't support it, okay? Because if you are wrong, you are going to get a huge loss. Don't go for that. Instead, wait for some kind of better setup where you will be able to actually get a smaller stop loss and the setup will be perfect, more perfect. This setup didn't work. If it can go one tick below this low, this whole setup is gonna be crash. Okay, it's not important anymore. Just one tick below this candle, this low, if it can go. Can I go for short? I am not interested to look for short yet. But it has closed below this parallel gap. Why you are not interested to look for short yet? Well, this is a very nice confusing area where I have this very nice buy side liquidity. Market is actually trading the daily bullish fair value gap. It is struggling around that area, but I am not convinced yet that market is falling. For falling, I want to see market will go below this low with body close. If body can close below this low, yeah, then and only then I will start to look for sell. Until then, I'm bullish. Why then this type of huge volatility? This volatility is actually the Judas swing around 930 to 950. It can happen. This type of volatility can happen. And as I explained today, it can be the consolidation because market has reached in a certain level, it can be the consolidation. It can be the sign of this consolidation that market is actually highly volatile consolidate. It's not one way. So that's why I would love to look for a smaller losses entry setup. You have to filter it. You have to feel it that it is going to work. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to get a small loss. You have to feel it first. If any of you would love to take sell, please go for that. I'm not telling you to wait for buy. Just don't come back to me and don't blame me, brother. I didn't take that sell because you are looking for buy. Okay, please don't come back and complain that. Okay, when it went below this low, this whole setup flushed. I don't need those parabol gap anymore. It's not valuable for me anymore. It reached until the 50% of that 1 minute week. Until the 50%. Perfect. There is nothing wrong yet. Still I'm bullish. Let's see. Welcome back. Hey, Mark the Shark. That week is 8:30 sells 8. That is the manipulation. Okay. I'm still bullish. Okay. Why I'm still bullish? Because I have clean buy side liquidity. Look over here. I have this buy side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity. Market always go for liquidity. Somebody will tell you that no, market go for the liquidity. Sometimes it go for to balance the imbalance. ICT told that. Okay. When ICT told that, he doesn't make it clear to you. Okay. He just can't do that. The reason is if he do that, we will start to complain. Now I am telling you, market will never go for imbalance. It will always go for liquidity. After taking the liquidity, it will just balance some imbalance, then it will reverse. When market has taken all the liquidity from daily chart, trading the 50% of the daily bullish fair value gap, it should reverse for that buy side liquidity. If it would love to keep falling, I don't have any limit. How far it will go, I don't know. I just don't know. So I'm not interested to look for sell. I'm only interested to look for buy, as I have this buy side liquidity. When this buy side liquidity will be taken, then I don't know what is going to happen. Now, for taking that buy, I will wait for a perfect setup where the what to say, I mean the stop loss is gonna be small. The setup is gonna be very clean. Not this type of, okay. It's very difficult. I mean, here the market structure shift. If I force the market, yeah, I will get the market structure shift. But if you would love to go for the perfect market structure shift, here you will see that there is no market structure shift. Okay, this swing high is not valid either way for shifting market structure. Yeah, I would try to force it over there. As I saw the market, I mean stop loss was very big. I told that no, I'm not gonna go for that trade. I am just not going for that trade. I don't care you are using macro or micro, whatever, but if the stop loss is near about more than 20 handle, I'm not interested to take that entry. I will let it go. Yeah, I will use this tool. There is nothing wrong, but I'm not interested to take that entry. So that's why I wasn't interested to take that entry. And over here, I will wait for a perfect setup. If I get it, I will go for it. If I don't get it, I will keep waiting. I'm not thinking yet that market is falling. I will only think that market is falling if and only if this week, can you see my cursor or not? If this week is broken by the body, that means body close below this low, then and only then I will start to look for sell. How far? I don't know. I just don't know how far it will fall. uh Tiru, why don't you use CISD? There is no CISD. How can I use the CISD? Hey bro, according to you, what is the win rate of ICT? Can you tell me please? If you trade through ICT, you don't need to think about win rate. I mean, if you ask me, my win rate is near about 30 to 45%. 30% to 45%. Now, if you think about win rate, it's a very bad, right? 30 to 45% win rate, it's very bad. Now, if you think about profit, I earned a lot of profit. I earned a lot of money from this market. Now, it all up to you, okay? The way you would love to think. If you think about profit, then win rate doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, okay? Because I can take one loss here, two loss here, three loss here, then I will get one winning trade. This three loss, maybe I will get 45 handle stop loss. I mean 45 handle loss. But when I will get that winning trade, I will get at least 100 winning trade. So my win rate is gonna be very small, but my profit is gonna be huge. Okay, it's falling. Still, I told you that until this low is not broken by body, I'm not bearish, okay? I'm not bearish. I'm watching you almost 1 month. I feel confidence in trading after watching you and getting better day by day. Thanks for the information. You are most welcome, Veli. Make sure that you are listening all the rules I'm telling. Rules are the important thing over here. If you follow the rules, you will be the winner. If you don't follow the rules, nobody can make you the winner. Nobody can make you a profitable trader. So rules are everything. Okay, as market is very near to 10, I'm gonna close this opening gap. The reason is after 10, the opening gap has no value. So yeah, no more, no important that opening gap. Hopefully all is well with you. Hey Stoic, everything is cool. Actually, where I live, there was no problem. It was in the division, not in the countryside. It was in the capital. Uh, but we were safe over here. No, I mean you always use MSS and you don't look for CISD, right? That's why I'm wondering why you don't use CISD and only look for MSS. What do you mean by CISD? CISD means order block, change in state of delivery, which is the opposite name of order block. If you are meaning something else by CISD, you have to clear that, brother. 830 week sell side liquidity taken. Yeah, I can see it has taken that low. Perfect. But I don't see any sell setup yet. Here there is no sell setup yet. No buy setup, no sell setup yet. Thanks, bro. I love people like you that always say the truth. Thanks a lot, bro. You're most welcome. Back. Thank you, brother. Till last 1 minute travel gap, you check. I didn't check. It has gone through everything. Okay. Now it's the part of the time think that market is going to fall. All I need to see a body close below this low. If I see this body has closed below this low, then I will start to think for continuation of the expansion. That means Wednesday's expansion is gonna be continued today. So what I will start to look for from 1 minute chart, I will start to look for this. I will keep looking for this. Okay. But for that, I need to see first a body close below this low. Am I late? No, I'm not late. You know that. I'm not late. I know how to play this game with the direction first. First, I need to confirm that how the market maker is going to play this game today. I need I need to make sure that first. Until this candle, who can told me that market was falling? Who could tell me that? Until this candle, market was consolidating. So nobody knew what is going to happen. Now, if this candle can close below this low, then the trend is confirmed that market is going to fall. If the trend is confirmed, all you have to do is wait for this. Just wait for this. You know how to play this game. You know that better than me. So now I'm not in a dark place after closing this candle. Okay, I'm not in a dark place. Now, if the very next candle start to go higher again, and maybe it will close above this fair value gap from 50 minutes, though I don't need it anymore. It's a very big bullish candle. I will be in the dark place again. I don't want to see that market will go back again above this line, above this rejection block or something like that. I mean, I don't want to see market will come back again into this range. I don't want to see that. It should keep falling. As market is falling, now trend is gonna be confirmed here. Look over there. After this whole price action, now trend is almost confirmed that market is falling. Brother, you were wrong. Market didn't take that buy sell liquidity. I don't care. I know Thursday is the continuation of the expansion. I was little confused. Is it going to reverse or not? Now it has confirmed that no, brother, I'm not reversing. So I will play the game the way market maker would love to play it. Okay. Why are you choosing that low as the low to break to look for sell? This is the low which has been rejected from the daily bullish fair value gap, constant and cosment. This is that low which was confirmed the reversal. Now, when this low is broken by body, not by wick, by body, that means the bullish fair value gap from daily chart. Okay, I removed the daily fair value gap from my chart. Keep it on your chart, otherwise you will get confused. When this low is broken by body, I'm done with the bull run. I will start to look for sell because this low, when it appeared over there, market should keep going higher. Now when it is not going higher, instead of that it fall again, closed below this low. Perfect. The trend is confirmed now that market is falling, and I'm gonna participate in that fall. Am I late? Absolutely not. So here, if you understand this small part, when market was around that area, until I mean before this candle, before that specific candle, who could tell me that market was going higher or lower? Now is it so clean that market is falling? Isn't it so clean? Wait until that area. But brother, you are going to take that buy. I told that I filter my trade by the stop loss. It helps me. Okay, it's important. It helps me to avoid the losing trade. If the stop loss was near about 15 handle, yeah, I would go for that. There's nothing wrong because I know that 15 handles loss mitigation is nothing. But when the stop loss is gonna be more than 20 handle, I'm not going to take that entry. Instead, I will keep waiting because the perfect setup is gonna be very small stop loss. Yeah, I was looking for 15-minute body close, brother. GJ, I was looking for 15-minute body close. Is that 1 minute fair value gap at 8:30 valid entry? There is no sell entry until now. I mean, if you are talking about sell, there is no sell entry until now. No buy entry, no sell entry. I am not going, Jack T. I'm not gonna think that anything is gonna hold this price. It will keep falling now. I would love to see that market will keep falling. I will participate in that fall after getting this from 1 minute chart. After getting this, I will participate in this fall. I have I'm already done about thinking that market is going higher. I'm already done. Now I will look for sell only. For looking for buy, I need a bullish fair value gap now. From 15 minutes chart, I need a bullish fair value gap. If I would love to look for buy, okay? Until it proves me wrong, I will keep selling. I will keep selling. Yep, 1 minute 22 model is gonna work today. Don't worry. I will show you, brother. Don't worry. So far, I have already seen that market is actually respecting that. Now, you can ask me where? Here. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. There is the market structure shift, fair value gap, price trade that fair value gap, market is falling. So the 22 YT model from 1 minute chart, still it's working. So yeah, I will get another opportunity. Now, you can see that market is making a bearish fair value gap from 15 minute chart. I don't care. I don't want to, I'm not gonna wait to see that market is reaching to that fair value gap, then it is going to fall. Uh-huh. You know what I'm looking for. Okay, here is the problem. Oh, by the way, why I was looking for buy for Nasdaq actually for dollar index. I saw that this is the order block from weekly chart. Market tap to this weekly order block. Last fair value gap from weekly chart. Trade the last fair value gap constant crossband. It is going higher, but before going higher, look over there. There is a bearish fair value gap. Okay, so from weekly chart there was a bearish fair value gap. I was expecting some kind of reaction from there, and that reaction will send the price until this weekly order block one more time. So when this guy will be bearish, I will be bullish for until that specific buy side liquidity. Remember from the Nasdaq, that buy side liquidity, I was expecting market will take that buy side liquidity, and at the same time it will either reach to the high of this weekly last fair value gap or until this water block, then it will go higher again, and dollar index will go for this buy side liquidity, and Nasdaq will keep falling. But as you can see, dollar index is actually hesitating what it will do. So far it seems like that it is bullish. So if it is bullish, that guy will keep falling. Okay, that guy will keep falling. So yep, I will see that. As I told, I don't care about anything else. No bullish order block, propulsion block, anything from weekly chart, monthly chart, from anywhere. Everything is going to be broken. Is it clear, guys? Simol. Is it clear, brother? I just, I don't need any kind of price action over here now. I would love to see it will keep falling. Okay, it will keep falling until it proves me wrong that I'm not falling anymore. I will keep looking for sell. So whenever it will go higher, it will take some buy side liquidity and it will give me a lower market structure shift. I'll be in the market. If I would love to look for buy, for example, market is not going to fall. It is actually going higher. I need a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then I will start to look for buy. Otherwise, I am not going to look for buy even if market one candle take that buy side liquidity. I don't care. I need a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart to look for buy. Until the bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, I will keep looking for sell. Every single time I will get a chance, I will take the sell. Until this candle, guys, let me clear this one more time. Until this candle, to that specific candle around 9:45, I didn't know what is going to happen. At the starting of today's stream, I told that it can be consolidation, it can be reversal, that means a little retracement until this buy side liquidity. It can be continuation of the expansion. I don't know what is going to happen. I am extremely bullish until this buy side liquidity. I would love to see it will take that buy side liquidity. But around 9:45, until then, I have nothing to do. I just didn't do anything. Then this candle appeared. I told if it can close below this low. When it closed below this low, how does it look like? Can you see that the trend? Can you see the trend? Anybody has the confusion about the trend? Who can tell me that this is a bullish trend? Market can go higher. Just let me check actually if I can. Just like on my right, okay. When market was around that area, who could tell me that where market is going? But now, how does it look like? Isn't it so clear that market is going to fall? Here, this sell. Now, it is not high probable. The reason is market didn't take the buy side liquidity. It didn't take the buy side liquidity. Still, it's let me mark it. It's an trade here. Okay, man. To be honest, I'm unable to take this entry as well because the stop loss is gonna be 34 handle. Even if I put my stop loss around that area, it's gonna be 34 handle. I'm unable to take that on. So I'll let it go as well. By the way, it's not a clean setup as well because market didn't take the buy side liquidity. Market structure shift. It's cool. It's cool, not bad. It's cool, but it didn't take the buy side liquidity. So I will wait. I'll just let it go. Just trust your brother, okay? Trust your brother. You are going to get opportunity. You are going to get your opportunity. Just wait little more. I am not interested to take this entry, but I will put it over there, okay? I'll just put it over there. But I'm not interested to take that entry because of the stop loss. It's gonna be 34 handle and I will go just 1:2. So something like this until that area. But as I told, I am not gonna take that entry. Someone correctly wrote, learn from him and then switch off, unsubscribe from him. So today I decided to unsubscribe because you taught me everything. Thank you. You're most welcome, Sergio. See you guys. See you, brother. I hope that very soon I will get an update from you. Yeah, I want all of you to unsubscribe me. Just unsubscribe me. But before that, build the confidence inside of you. And the way I'm telling you that I'm confident, I just don't give a shit about the previous price action where market is now trading. Don't give a shit because market is falling. You will look for sell only. Just look for sell. No buy, nothing. If you don't get the opportunity, don't take panic. Don't just get panic. It will give you the opportunity. Right now, it is not giving you, no problem. You will get your opportunity. Trust your brother. Just trust your brother, okay? Now it didn't reach to that fair value, so I'm going to remove this one and it will give you the opportunity. So just wait for that area. Don't get panic. Oh man, it is leaving me. It is leaving me. No, it is falling, man. It is just telling you that I'm your friend. I'm the trend. I'm your friend. So don't get panic. Don't chase the price. Don't do anything. Wait, wait, wait. Now I'm talking too confidently, but I shouldn't talk like that way because it's been near about 9 days. I wasn't here. So after 9 days, I opened my chart and I started to talk like that confidently. I shouldn't talk like that way, but I'm talking like that way. Don't get me wrong, brother. But just just wait, okay? Just wait for the setup. It will give you the opportunity. Trust me. I will show you. This is the setup. You should go for that. Market has opened just how many times? I mean, 30, 40, 42 minutes. Just 42 minutes. Market has opened. Not even 1 hour. Don't panic, man. I know you guys are panic because market is falling, I'm missing everything. Don't think like that way. Okay, for building your confidence, let me show you. This is yesterday's price action, okay? So this is around 9:30. this is the 930, okay, around that area, this is the 930. Then look, market was falling. See, until that area, market was keep falling. Everyone was thinking, oh, I missed everything. Then finally market has made a setup around that area. I wouldn't go for that trade, that's for sure. I wouldn't go for that trade. Market structure shift, fair value gap, because the stop loss was way big over there. So from there, even if you put a stop loss over there, it's near about 24 handle. I wouldn't go for that. Then market went higher again. Another market structure shift around that area. See this market structure shift around that area. If you would love to take this entry, you can go for that. I wouldn't go for that trade as well, because over there I have to cover this one. Finally, I outlined this trade to my Twitter around that area. From there to until that area. That was a very nice trade. When the setup created around 10:33, don't get panic, it will keep falling. Look, it was keep falling, it just keep falling, okay, it just keep falling. So don't get panic, don't think that, oh man, I missed everything. No, you didn't miss anything. It is going to fall like that. So yeah, you will get your opportunity. Just give the market little time so that it can make the setup for you. Don't chase the price, don't think that market is going higher. I don't have any sell side liquidity, brother, to be honest. I really don't have any sell side liquidity. Hmm. It can be the target. Okay, I mean, it's not the sell side liquidity, but it can be the target. Okay, or below this one, you see this one, this low and that low, they're also relatively equal lows. It is also the sell side liquidity. Dollar index is going higher. For taking the buy side liquidity, it should keep falling. Now how far it will fall, I don't know. Now it is going higher, so it is reversing. Let's take buy. Don't do that. If you are trading your real money, please go whatever you want to do. Please do whatever you want to do. If you are here to learn, don't look for buy. No buy yet. Market is going higher, be happy, because market is going to make a sell setup again. No, you can't do that, it's big jack. You can't do that, brother. It takes too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 minutes. It takes 6 minutes to reach to this parabolic gap. So it's too long, and a lot of price action has done there. So I'm not interested to use this parabolic gap for my sell setup. Now we are trying to frame a sell. Okay, we will try to frame a sell now. We will wait for little price action, then we'll try to look for a sell. If this order block can hold the price perfect, we will have another opportunity to look for sell. If it fails, then I will see market went higher, take the liquidity, then I will start to look for another market structure shift, lower market structure shift, fair value gap, to look for sell. So this is two type of situation here. First, why this one is order block? Because this is the highest up close body close candle which has traded that fair value gap. Specifically that fair value gap, it has traded by that leg. This is the highest up close body close candle. Now you can say why you didn't mark this consecutive order block. I'm not gonna take sell from there. I'm not going to take sell from there from that specific order block. Okay. So I don't need perfectly to mark it. I will just go for the highest one. If you'd love to go for this one, no problem. Mark the min threshold of that consecutive order block. You will get some kind of precision, I guess. Yeah, something like that. But I'm not interested for that. I just need an idea that this order block is going to hold the price and send it back for the sell side again. Okay. No rush. Please don't rush. Wait and see what is happening. If you rush, you will make a lot of mistakes. Don't rush again. Let's see if it can this order block can hold the price or it went higher to take the buy side liquidity. If you take the buy side liquidity, then you will start to look for sell. Nobody thinks about the buy here. Simply nobody thinks about the buy from there. But it is going higher, brother. If it go higher, let him go. Don't give a shit. Let him go. No problem. We are not going to touch you, brother. If you'd love to go for buy, we'll wait for a bullish parabolic from this 15-minute chart. That is the only thing you should wait for. Otherwise, no buy setup is valid. Wait. Just wait. You have only one thing in your mind. I will go for sell. Keep repeat that, okay? Keep repeating that with me. I will only go for sell. I don't care if it go higher. If I miss all the buy run, I don't care. I will only look for sell. Even if I take a loss, I will look for sell. Again, this is all for my brothers and sisters who are here to learn. If you are here with your real money, please do whatever you want to do. I have no advice, no talkings for you guys because you are trading your real money. You are not here to learn, you are here for signal. I'm not here to give you the signal. I'm here to only talk about this price action. Why you should be very confident about your journey, the trading journey. What I'm thinking right now, it is going higher. Maybe it will take this buy side liquidity. I will let him take that buy side liquidity. I'm not gonna touch this market until there is a bullish parabolic from 15-minute chart. I will keep looking for sell. I will keep looking for sell. I don't care even if it take that buy side liquidity. I don't care. That is the part you have to understand perfectly. I am looking for this order block. If it can hold the price, perfect. If it fail to hold the price and go higher, no problem. Still I'm happy because market is going ahead to take some kind of buy side liquidity. I will start to look for a sell lower market structure shift. Here I don't need the lower market structure shift. If this order block hold the price, then I can frame my trade depending on that propulsion block. Okay. Okay. Anybody has any question? Guys, make sure that if you didn't give me the likes, you have pushed the like button and you have subscribed to my channel. If you are new, I know I talk too much talking, but I'm giving you some confidence. You have to be confident. You have to be confident that market is falling. Okay. Why? I have already explained that. But you have to be very confident. You just can't think that maybe market is going higher now. I will try to look for a buy. Maybe market is going to fall now. I'm gonna look for a sell. No, you have to be one-sided. Is it falling? Is it going higher? If you're thinking it is falling, you will let every buy setup go. If you thinking that market is going higher, you will go for the buy, you will let every sell setup go. Okay, so there is no word called maybe. First you have to be sure, then you have to jump into the trade. Yeah, after taking the entry you can say maybe it will work, maybe it won't work, because nothing is 100% sure. But until taking that entry, there is no maybe. It is going higher. Am I getting panic? No. I don't give a shit that bull run. I'm getting happier. I'm getting very happy that market is going higher. It is going to make a situation over there. Okay, let me remove this order block. So I don't have any opportunity to take the buy from that order block. Instead of that, this high and that high, some kind of buy side liquidity. I'll just mark this one. It's good. Now I have the buy side liquidity. Let's say after taking that buy side liquidity, market can give me a lower market structure shift or not. From 15-minute chart, all you can see that market is reaching for that 15-minute bearish parallel gap. It doesn't need to do that. If it do that, perfect. There is nothing wrong with that. But it doesn't need to reach this 15-minute bearish parallel gap. It doesn't need to do that. Okay, that is the part you have to understand. It doesn't need to reach this bearish parallel gap. It reached over there, perfect. I'm happy. No problem. So yesterday, if you are looking for a sell from the 15-minute bearish parallel gap, I believe that you will never be able to get that. This is the 15-minute bearish parallel gap. You see, market never trade the bearish parallel gap until this run. So yeah, today it's little overzealous. It reached until that area. Okay, no problem. Still, I'm looking for sell. I'm not looking for buy. This is the part, brother. The differences between me and you. Okay, I'm not telling that I'm a good trader. I'm better than you. I'm not telling that. I'm just telling the differences between you and me. I'm not thinking that market is going higher. I'm thinking that market is going to fall now because market has taken the buy side liquidity. All I need a lower market structure shift. But brother, it is going higher. If it going higher, you have the range from there to there. How many handle do you have from there to there? 248 handle. Do you need that much handle for being profitable? No. So then what is wrong with what's wrong with you, brother? Just wait for a 15-minute bullish parallel gap. If it can make a bullish parallel gap, then look for buy. Otherwise, don't look for buy. Why it went higher? Take the liquidity. After taking this liquidity, it should keep falling. See here, market has taken the liquidity. This high, that high, they're relatively equal highs. It has taken the liquidity. Where did it reach? I'm not sure, but I'm going to mark a random parallel gap actually. So far, this is a random parallel gap, okay? I just marked the random parallel gap. Oh man, Harman, I missed him. I really missed him, to be honest. I really missed him. Uh, I don't remember. So it reached to this random parallel gap. Okay, I will keep looking for sell. No buy for me. Brother, it is going higher. As it is going higher, I will get a bullish parallel gap. Don't worry about that. When the setup will create, I won't tell you, okay? You will know that by yourself. Trust me. You will know that. I don't need to talk about that. You will know when the setup will create. I would love to see who is gonna tell me the first when you will see the setup. I would love to see the name. All I need, just one word. Maybe 1037 candle fair gap. Just that word. I want to see that specific that line. Okay. So maybe the fair value gap you are going to take the sell or buy whatever it is. You will just tell me that specific candle when the candle will appear over there. For example, this is the candle which has made a fair value gap, right? or this is the candle which has made a fair value gap. When this candle appeared, 957, 957 candle fair value gap. I just need to see that specifically, that word, that sentence. I'm too boring. Okay, if you stay with me, you will miss that buy run. See this buy run? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Okay, you will miss that buy run. To be honest, brother. So are you okay with that? If you are okay, then stay with me. Otherwise, no. 1024. So you are looking for buy. Who is that guy? The evil genius. Evil genius. You are looking for buy. Okay. I think, brother, you will hurt yourself. So you are looking for buy from that fair value. That's cool. 1026. 1026. 1026. This candle doesn't have any fair value gap. I need the candle which will have some fair value gap. I will only look for buy if and only if there is a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. If there is no 15-minute bullish fair value gap, I'm not going to look for buy. Devil genius, no sell. Okay. 1026 low break with a fair value gap. Okay. Yep, that's the thing. High, low, high, high. Stop this candle. Perfect. So the evil genius, no sell. Anybody else who is not looking for sell, he's only looking for buy. Anybody else? If price go below that swing, is it valid for MSS? Absolutely, it's valid. It's valid, brother. Is there anyone else who is looking for buy? I would love to look for. I would love to see the name. Anybody else who is looking for buy? Don't just come back later and tell me that I was looking for buy as well. I'm asking. Let me know who is looking for buy as well, except evil genius. By the way, if evil genius was trading, he is already profitable. From there to there, it's near about 46 handle. So he is already profitable. It's a highly volatile market. So I'm looking for buy. Okay, two guy is very sharp. Okay, Monday the setup was buy. Normal is sell. Okay, I'm sell now. Okay, also inversion for up, not me. T2 is the best mode. No buys, only looking for sales. Okay, we have an fair value gap at 9,454.2. 9,54.2. Yep, I saw it later actually. My mistake. It's okay. But yeah, I can see it now. Buy juicy 90-minute cycle. Okay. I'll forget their name, okay? I will forget their name. So guys, please remember their name, okay? We're all scoping for a sell. Okay. I will take sell at 19170. What do you have over there? 19170. What? 19170? It's too far. If market can reach until that area, it doesn't need to fall again. It will keep going higher. I believe market should fall from here. We will see. the the way Evilzin is still okay. I'm just telling about him. He took the buy from there. He's profitable. Just let me show you from there to until that line 53 handle. He doesn't need that 53 handle. If he can close his trade around 40 handle, still he's profitable. So I'm not telling that he's wrong. I'm not telling any of you that who are looking for buy. I'm not telling that you guys are wrong. All I'm telling how you should be confident about your setup. So the buy setup is not valid according to my thinking. I will only look for sell. I'm just only interested to look for sell, no buy for me. Okay, I am only interested to look for sell. Tito, I've blown so many accounts. Where were you so many days, man? Missed you. Okay, I have no comments. No comments, brother. I'm alive. Okay, I'm alive. That's all. It's good to hear you. Thank you, man. The real J Israel. How are you, man? Sell at 19120. 19120. What do you have over there? I don't know exactly. Brother, I'm not looking for buy, okay? As I told you, even if market take that buy side liquid, I don't care. I'm not looking for buy. I am only interested to look for sell. If I don't get any sell, I'm not interested to participate in that price action. Simple. If I were looking for buy, that was a perfect order block for me. A perfect order block for me. As I'm not looking for buy, I'm not gonna use this one as my entry or pyramid or something like that. 19120. 19120. Oh, those type of fair lookup I don't see at them, okay? To be honest, even I don't mark those type of fair lookup as well. But as market is almost near to this last fair lookup, I had to mark that one. There is no way. Going to take out the equal highs. We will see, brother. No fair lookup on 15 minute. Okay. So finally market has reached the area for reversals. This is the perfect area for reversal. If it can reverse from there. Otherwise, I will just wait for better price action. So no, still now no buy for me. You are missing everything. Okay, it's up to you. Choice is yours. Still, I'm looking for sell. 950 for short at 1910. Wait, 954. Oh, team, that was a nice shot, man. No bullish fair cup from 15 minute chart. No buy for me. Went long 30 second ago. Just 30 second made 600 profit. That's cool, man. That's cool. Even you didn't take 1 minute to get $600 profit. That's cool, man. Why sell? Only buy. Hey Navanti, how are you, brother? That's nonsense. Love you, man. Uh, I know, guys. If I keep shouting that, please wait for sale, wait for sale, wait for sale, you nobody will believe me. Okay, so I will keep quiet. Then I will show you. If you keep wait, I mean, if you wait for something, that's you are going to you are going to be profitable by waiting. You will never regret after waiting. Never ever. So I think it's better to keep quiet for sometimes, because right now a lot of you will come to me and you will say this is a buy setup, this is a buy setup, this is a buy setup. I don't see any buy setup, to be honest. I don't see, until now I don't see any buy setup. No sell setup, no buy setup. This is just a highly volatile bullshit price action, nothing else. There is nothing else, no price action. That's my opinion only. Maybe some of you are seeing some setup, you are seeing this market is going higher, perfectly, please go for that. But for me, until now I didn't see any setup, just nothing. So I will better wait. And if I just keep telling that, brother, please wait for sale, you will laugh that this guy is just gone crazy because market is going higher. He's just asking for sell. He's just crazy. So I don't want to talk about that. I will just keep quiet over here and I will stay to look for sell. When I will start to look for buy, I will tell you that. And until again, let me clear this thing one more time. Until market make a bullish fair value gap from 15 minute chart, I am not looking for buy. I will keep looking for sell. Okay. So yeah, so far there was no setup for me. I just can't take buy from 1 minute setup. I can't do that, because if I do that, I know it will hurt me in a longer term. It will hurt me a lot. I don't want to be hurt by this market. So I don't depend on this 1 minute setup. Yesterday, remember the 1 minute setup? Okay, if you remember or not, in my Twitter, when I don't follow my rules, it punished me. I don't want to be punished, so I will keep waiting. I don't mark this type of fair value gap as my last fair value gap, but either way, this is the last fair value gap. I don't mark them. The reason is they're very small. I love to mark this type of clean fair value gap. Now, if you mark this one as your last fair value gap, this is going to be your entry fair value gap. So close over the 50-minute fair value gap. CE not change your bias. No, it didn't change my bias. My bias will be changed if market can make a bullish fair value gap from 15 minute. Then my bias will be changed. I mean, not after bullish fair value gap. After making the bullish fair value gap, if market, I mean that bullish fair value gap hold the price, then my bias will be changed, and I will look for this buy side liquidity. But for that, I need a bullish fair value gap from 15 minute. Take buy, take buy, take buy, take buy, take buy. Market is going higher. No, I'm not interested to take buy. My buy will be valid only and if there is a bullish fabric from 15 minutes set. You are not able to hold your patience until that. Okay, no problem. Go for the buy. You can see where is the buy setup actually? I don't see any buy setup. So yeah, just look at the sell setup. Take the sell from there and hold it until that area. There was a sell setup if you force the market. I mean, if you force it, then maybe you will be able to take a sell. Either way, there was no buy setup. But yep, it's up to you. I'm not interested. Just Evil's, you didn't. I thought, brother, you took that entry. I was thinking that you closed your trade around 40 handle or something like that. So you are already profitable. If you didn't, then I will just say you that good job, brother. You will be profitable. Trust me, brother. Because here, if you pushed your button, I was really getting upset when you say that. I mean, that bullish fabric cap, you took that type of buy or something like that. I was just thinking that you really evil. You shouldn't take that buy. But as you didn't take that buy, congratulations, brother. Because here, whoever took the buy, they were, they depend on the run only. They chase the price. Don't chase the price. After that big fall, they are just believing 1 minute little retracement. You see, this little retracement by 1 minute, they're believing that. That is absolutely wrong. That's not the price action. That just focus on the setup. That's all, brother. So please don't focus on that. Instead, focus on the price action over here. There was nothing that could tell me that market is going higher. Nothing at all. How far it will go, I don't know. Still, I'm bearish. Still now, I'm bearish. I'm seeing a deeper retracement. That's all. This retracement could clear until that area. Here, this retracement can happen until that area. Until that area. Now, it reached until that area. Perfect. There's nothing wrong. Sometimes it happens. But nobody knows how far it is going. So don't hurt yourself. No buy is valid over there. No price action was over there that was telling you that market is going higher. Whoever took this buy, they're lucky today. But tomorrow they will blow their account. Trust me, brother. They will blow the account. Now, I'm not telling specifically anyone. If you are trading your real money, please go for that. Okay, I'm not telling you guys who are trading your real money, but I'm telling those who are just only interested to learn. No logic is over there to take that buy around that area. There was no logic to take that sell. That specifically that sell. There was no logic, just nothing. Who are impatient, they will take that sell. If you have the patience, don't take that sell. This sell is not valid. Now, I'm not telling this to team because team has taken that sell. Okay, brother, I'm not telling you that. Okay, I mean, trust me, brother. I am not telling you. Okay? Don't think that I'm telling you. All I'm telling, that sell is not valid. This buy is not valid. I'm not telling this Eric to Eric because Eric took that buy. No, I'm not telling that to him because he took a buy by 30 seconds. He closed his trade. That is a very small scalp. Perfect, no problem. I mean, eh, he can. I mean, he just got that profit. I'm not talking to him, and I'm not talking that sell about to him. All I'm telling, this sell, this buy is invalid because there is no price action. That's all. Okay. because this is just what to say, I mean, just pure luck. Market went until that area. This is just a pure luck, nothing else. If you would love to depend on your luck, I have nothing to say. But if you'd love to wait, depend on the price action, then you have to wait. Constant encroachment rejection, low rejection. Again, constant encroachment rejection, low rejection. Look at this two part. Here, low, constant encroachment. From 15-minute chart, I have almost a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Now, when this candle will close, then this bullish fair value gap will be appeared around that area. Until this candle is not closed, there is no bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Until now, there is no market structure shift, nothing. Minato 9245. Yep, yeah, I will. If I get a lower market structure shift, I'll go for sell. Even if I get a market structure shift, lower market structure shift right now, I'll go for that sell. Now I'm going to remove this fair value gap. Instead of that, I would love to use 15-minute last fair value gap. Until that area, I have the 15-minute last fair value gap, so I'm gonna use that 15-minute last fair value gap. Instead of that 1 minute, it's better to use the 15-minute last fair value gap. Everything goes wrong today. Nothing goes wrong today. Did you push your button? If you pushed your button, then everything is wrong to you. If you didn't push your button, nothing yet happened. Nothing happened yet. Just 10:51. Still, we have the opportunity to trade. So far, what do you see? After the consolidation, market fall, went higher retracement. That's all you can see. So nothing were, I mean, nothing is wrong yet. Still now, there is no trade. I pressed it for M candle was false breakout below C of daily fair value gap. To me, it looked like it closed below CE. Okay, I am not interested about the daily fair value gap right now. I am just interested about 15-minute chart. That's why I'm not watching about, I mean, the daily fair value gap. I will look at the daily fair value gap later, okay? No, I don't think there is anything called luck. I mean, luck means you take that buy, you are lucky, market expand higher, you are lucky. But that buy is valueless. That sell is valueless. Don't believe me? I pray that ICT will post his trade. You will never see that ICT took sell or buy around that area. I promise you, brother. Because here there is no price action. This is just 1 minute noise. You know, the 1 minute noise. So without the price action, look, this buy, look at this buy, that run. If that run could happen from that area, from 15-minute chart, from here, okay, can you see my cursor? From that area, yeah, I would look for that buy. I would take that buy. But from here, the buy is invalid. From there, the selling is invalid because any of this level can hold the price, send it back for this buy side liquidity. It can do that. If this parabol gap is broken, I am absolutely look for the buy until this buy side. This is the last parabol gap. Last line to hold my bearishness. No sell is valid from the above or the upper portion of this constant cross. No sell is valid. But brother, we are in deep premium now. We can't look for buy. I don't believe, I mean, I don't look at the deep premium or the discount. I'm sorry. I don't look at them. Still now, I'm looking for sell. Can you imagine it? Still now, I'm looking for sell. We can mark the 1051 candle as our MC, right? 1051 candle. 1051 candle. No, you can't do that. Yeah, absolutely. You're right, Sizo. Sizo says you're right, brother. Yes, absolutely. Daily 50% has a role to play. Let me go the daily chart. So over here, this 50% obviously it has great role to play. The 50%. There's nothing wrong with that. This sale you're looking for about to break the bank. No, I'm not bullish yet. Sorry, brother, but yeah, I'm not bullish yet. Then boy, bias is as I told you. Okay, I don't have any sell side liquidity. I have no sell side liquidity. I have clean buy side liquidity. But from that area, buying is invalid. I can't look for the buy. For taking the buy, I need to wait for a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. If market can make a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, then I can start to look for buy again. When I was looking for a buy, remember there was a bullish fair value gap. Look over there. I had this bullish fair value gap. But from here, buying is invalid. Nobody can look for buy because this fair value gap can hold the price, send it back. This last fair value gap can hold the price, send it back for for long term low or something like that. I am not interested to look for buy from any of this area. Now suddenly market has made a bullish fair value gap around that area. Okay, so let me mark it from 15-minute chart. It has made a bullish fair value gap. For example, okay, this candle didn't close yet. When it will could be closed, then this will be a bullish fair value gap. Market will come back again to this bullish fair value gap. Yeah, I will start to look for buy again from this bullish fair value gap. Simply, okay. I will just take buy from that bullish fair value. Try start to look for buy from that bullish fair value gap. I will here this area. If market make this bullish fair value gap, I have this bearish last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. That means I am in 50-50. For you, some of you, this is a nice sell, this is a nice buy. For me, this is a bullshit price action. So far, this is the price action where I'm unable to participate. Okay, can I take that buy around that area? Just any of this area? Can I take a sell from any of this area? You know what we can do, but is that appropriate to do? No, we should not do that. We should not do that. Instead of that, we should look for the price action. What is the price action playing out here? That is the part you have to understand. When market was around that area to this that specific fair value gap, let me show you. That was a bullish fair value gap. Remember this one? When market came here to this bullish fair value gap, I started to look for buy until this buy sell liquidity. When this bullish fair value gap, that specific fair value gap has broken, market keep falling. No, you can't look for buy anymore because this was the area where market that fair value gap should stop the price, send it back for the buy sell. It failed. That means market is falling. You should think that market is falling, falling, falling. It will keep falling. You will think like that. Suddenly you saw that after that fall, market is going higher. No, you can't look for buy. You will start to look for sell, only sell. Now, when market is going higher, look, there was no sell setup. Until now, there is no sell setup. Do you see any sell setup? No. Did I take any loss? No. Can I look for buy? Yeah, I missed the buy run. I don't care because if market keep going higher, it will make the bullish parabolic up. I know. If it make the bullish parabolic up, then I will start to look for buy. Right now, price is around a situation where selling is difficult, buying is difficult. Why? Because I have now bullish parabolic gap, I have now bearish parabolic gap. Any of them will need to be violated. Any of this parabolic gap should be violated before taking buy or sell. This is the all thing you have to understand. If you can understand this part, perfect. You are done. You don't need to come back over here. I promise you, brother. Okay, brother, I'm gonna mark it. Very small. But yeah, still it's valid. Now, for example, I am able to take a sell from there. I'm able to take a sell from there. You know, until this high of this bullish parabolic gap. Even if I get an opportunity to take sell, I can hold the trade until the high of this bullish parabolic gap. I can't hold my trade one tick below the high of this bullish parabolic gap. I just can't do that. Right now, this is the situation. I just can't go against that situation. It happened over here. Sometimes shit happens. Can explain on daily time frame why from that area buy is invalid. We are actually tapped to weekly word. Leah, you can't use weekly chart, even 4 hour chart, even 4 hour chart for 1 minute execution. So if your high time frame is 4 hour chart, for example, 4 hour chart, then your execution has to be in 5 minute chart. If you use daily chart, daily level as your high time frame, then your execution will be 15 minute chart. If you use your weekly order block, weekly parabolic gap, weekly anything as your high time frame, your execution should have been from hourly chart. You can't execute your trade to 1 minute chart by by a weekly weekly time frame. Okay, high time frame. You can't do that. So if your high time frame is daily chart, you are seeing that market is reversing from daily order block. So you would love to take a sell. Your sell should be executed from 15 minute chart, not from 1 minute chart. Is it clear, sister? Let me know. Time to fall. I can force it, but it's not a perfect lower market. Swing low for shifting market structure. Yeah, we can force it, but it's not a perfect market structure shift. That is forcing, okay? And you have to see that if you would love to force it, how much is gonna be your stop loss. If you force it and your stop loss is over there for 24 handle, can you take that risk for 24 handle? If you can, then yeah, absolutely you can go for that. I actually mark this type of market structure shift. That means I force the market in this type of situation. Wait, around that area. Okay. This type of situation, I force the market. If my stop loss is near about 13 to 15 handle, then yeah, I force it. I sometimes you'll see that I don't wait for the perfect market structure shift. I just push my button. I do that when my stop loss is near about 13 to 15 handle. But if it is 22 handle, it's more than enough for me. So I'm not able to get that type of huge loss by not a perfect market structure. See, this swing low is not a valid swing low for shifting market structure. But if you would love to force it, you can do it. All you have to understand is you are able to get that loss, 22 loss. Now here I put my stop loss just above the candle which has made this bearish parabolic gap. See, just above that one. Where should your stop loss? Around that area. Now if I put my stop loss around that area, it's gonna be 43 handles. So I'm unable to do that. What I will do, I will put it just above that candle high which has made this parabolic gap. It's up to you. I pushed my button if I saw that stop loss is 15 handle. Now as today's market is highly volatile, and you can see just this small area is 22 handle, I don't have anything to say. Okay, it's up to you. Your 15-minute parabolic gap requirement happens when the market moves 300 500 point in the day, but when it only moves 51 and 51 points, sometimes your 15-minute parabolic doesn't happen. I didn't understand what did you say. Gee, I didn't understand, brother. Can you make it little elaborate so that I can understand what did you mean to say? Here, if you hold your trade until that area, you are gambling. Remember, you are gambling. You can hold your trade until that area. You can hold your trade until this area. You have to take a partial around that area. This area should be your partial area. You have to take partial around that area. Okay. Why? Because this is now you have the bullish parabolic gap from 15 minutes. That means when market will come back again here to this bullish parabolic gap, I will start to look for buy. Now selling is not my priority. I'm not looking for sell now. I'm interested to look for buy now. So I will wait to see market come here to this bullish parabolic gap. Then I will start to look for buy. Now I'm interested to look for buy. I'm not interested to look for sell anymore. Selling is done for me. I'm not interested to look for sell now. Brother, you are in a deep premium. I love to take buy from the deep premium. I love to do that. No buy is valid from this area. Buy is only valid from this bullish parabolic gap. See this bullish parabolic gap from 15 minutes chart. If market can reach until this bullish parabolic gap, yeah, I will look for buy. I'm done for selling. Gray wolf, I have already explained. Okay, what I'm telling that I am not interested about selling anymore. I am only interested to look for buy only now. Okay, I am only interested to look for buy. Sell is done for me. I don't care how beautiful the setup is, how beautiful everything is for selling. I don't care. I'm only interested to look for buy now. Buy is only valid from this bullish parabolic gap, not from here. Okay. So I would love to see that this parabolic gap will send the price until that parabolic gap. Then I will get an opportunity to look for buy. If I get that, I'll be participating in this price action. If I don't get it, market keep going higher, I will just let it go. I'm not gonna participate in that run. Simple. It's gonna hit stop loss. It can hit the stop loss, brother. As I told that my stop loss has covered the area there should not be touched. I covered the 50% of that 15-minute bearish parabolic gap. I covered the high which has made this bearish parabolic gap. So this is a place where market should not reach. It should not reach over there to that specific high. Okay. It should come back again at least to the top of this bullish parabolic gap. Then it should make a bullish setup. That bullish setup will send the price until that area, to that buy side liquidity, that area. Here I will see this one as my order block. This one I want to see as my order block. Here, this one. It's not a trending day. Really, it's not a trending day. It's a high volatile consolidation day. It's just consolidating. Now, maybe you are not seeing this is a consolidation, but this is a consolidation. The trend is like this. This is the trending day. This is the consolidation day, and it is expected after that big fall when market reach in a certain level. This is expected. This type of consolidation is expected. So here, that was the only opportunity where market could keep falling. As it didn't fall, that means it has confirmed the consolidation. It's a perfectly consolidation day, not a trending day. Can I take a buy from there? No, I can't take a buy from there. For taking the buy, I have to wait for this 15-minute bullish parallel gap. If it didn't reach over here, keep going higher. Yeah, I'm just missed all the run. I will let him go to take that buy side liquidity. I don't care. Even if it take that buy side liquidity without me, I'll be very happy. But I'm not interested to take buy any kind of buy from this area. I need to see that market will be here to this bullish parabolic gap, at least to the top of this bullish parabolic gap. Then I'll be able to look for buy. Hit the stop loss. Going higher. So I'm missing the trade. Yeah, I will miss the trade. No worries. I am not gonna participate in this run. That's for sure. I'll just let him go and it will take that buy side liquidity. I will keep watching that thing. I'm not interested to look for buy. My buy will be valid if and only if market can reach this bullish parabolic from 15 minutes. Then my buy will be valid. Until then, I'm not interested to look for buy. Some of you can see that market has taken this sell side liquidity, market structure shift, parabolic gap. Market will tap to this parabolic gap, it will keep going higher. You would love to take the buy, please go for that. I have no problem with you guys, okay? But yeah, if I don't get the price action, I'm not gonna participate in that price action. Simple. When market has made this bullish parabolic from 15-minute chart, no sell is valid for me. I will only look for buy only. Just buy. But for that taking buy, I have to wait to see that if market can reach to this parabolic or not. It didn't reach over here. I'm happy. I'm not going to touch this market. Simple. But brother, you were telling that you were looking for sell, looking for sell. When this bullish parabolic gap created over there, what did I say? Please watch that part again. I'm not interested to look for sell anymore. I will only look for buy. Either way, that sell was not. It was huge. 22 handle is huge. Without a perfect market structure shift, 22 handle is huge. That market structure shift, absolutely not even valid for market structure shift. You want to force the market, I force the market if the stop loss is just 14 handle, 13 handle, 15 handle. Yeah, I sometimes I force the market. But here, 22 handle, it's more than huge, man. Am I going to cry because I missed all of this buy run, all of this sell run? Am I going to cry? No, I'm not going to cry. I'm just not going to cry because I didn't get the price action. I didn't participate in that price action. Simple. Until this bullish fair value gap, I was looking for sell. Yeah, if that sell had created before making this bullish fair value gap, I would go for that sell and I would say that okay, that is a bullish fair value gap. Sorry, that is a bearish fair value gap. This is the first time market structure shift I got. Even if for forcing, yeah, I would go for that trade. I will force that market. But when this bullish fair value gap created and market didn't give me the market structure shift, this market structure shift is not perfect. I should not force the market over there. I can force it, but for 22 handle, no, it's not good enough. So I didn't touch that market. I will keep waiting. Brother, you are going to miss everything. Yep, I will miss everything. Are you not feeling good? I didn't get the price action. No, I had this buy sell liquidity, but the way market started to go higher, I was unable to participate in this price action. Can you understand this part? Just tell me, can you understand this part? That was the buy sell liquidity. What did I say? I have only the buy sell liquidity. I don't know how far it will go. I just go to daily chart and mark the 50%. This is the 50% of a week. Okay, daily week 50%. I just marked it as a sell side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity. I had only the buy side liquidity. But the place market used to reverse, I am unable to use that place. If it could go from a bullish fair value gap, I would be able to catch that run. It didn't do that. I didn't participate in this price action. I was looking for sell. Did market give me any sell? No, 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 no. Finally, market has given me a market structure shift. In that type of situation, I have this bullish fair value gap. A perfect bullish fair value gap. That sell valid? Nope. That buy? Nope. Another day, if this thing happened over here to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, look, I'm showing you the perfect things. Just think this area, this is the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Just think this is the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. What did I show you? Market has taken this sell side liquidity. This is the sell side liquidity. Market has taken a perfect market structure shift around that area. A perfect market structure shift. A perfect fair value gap. Immediate reaction. Take the buy from there. Just put a stop loss below this candle which has created that fair value gap. Target the low of this new day opening gap. Just low. Don't hold it until that area. No need to hold it until that area. Just hold it until that area. Take this entry. Was there anything wrong? Absolutely not. A perfect setup. What was missing? This bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. That was missing from there. Are you going to take this buy? If you want to take that buy, Don't just say when you will blow your account. Please don't just tell me anything, okay? This is not a price action where you should participate. You will see a lot of people will come to my comment and they will say that, this was nice buy or something like that, okay? Don't focus on them because they are not here. They are here only to disturb you. Please don't get disturbed by them. I'm requesting you, brother. The thing I'm telling you, if you follow that, they will be right one day and I will be right every single day. Every single day. That buy side liquidity was obvious, but the way market went here, it is very bad. Now look, market is falling now. Are you able to take the sell? No, you are not able to take the sell. You have nothing to do around that area. When market will reach to this bullish fair value gap, if it can reach to this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart here, you will start to look for buy again. Okay, from that area you will start to look for buy again. No sell is valid, just nothing is valid over there. No sell, no buy, nothing. This is the part, brother, you have to understand and you have to be patient for that specific part. If you can't do it, I'm sorry, brother, I'm not able to tell you anything about this price action. It's look like fair value gap was tapped. So far you can see this is the new opening gap over there. This is the new opening gap. It tapped to this new opening gap. This is the reaction from this new opening gap. If this reaction can reach until this bullish fair value gap, or here there is a very small bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, any of this fair value gap, if it can reach any of this area, I will start to look for buy again. This fall, how far it can reach, maybe until this fair value gap or that fair value gap, but you are not gonna participate in that fall. This fall, if you just take the sell from there or some kind of, if you pushed your button from there, you are gambling. Don't do that. Don't do that. Check 30-minute travel inversion travel, bro. Hey David, I guess you are new to my channel, brother. Just some more days, please. Yeah, I guess you are not here because I explained already. It's not expansion, it's consolidation. I have already explained that part, brother, sister. Dude, this bullish fair value gap is last fair value gap. Can we take long at the 15-minute fair value gap? 10:45. 10:45. Yeah, absolutely you can. This is the entry fair value gap, and yeah, this is the last fair value gap. So if market can reach to this entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart, you will just wait for 1 minute bull setup. Absolutely you can look for buy from there. 9:30 has fair value gap, minute 52, 9:30. Where is 9:30? This is a bearish fair value gap. Yeah, I can see it. This is the bearish fair value gap. What is that, brother? I'll keep that fair value gap actually because this was the last fair value gap, and I'll keep that on because sometimes this fair value gap 50% play a great role for reversal. So I will keep that. I was just about to hit my long target profit, then reversed. Oh man, don't worry, market is going to take that 19307.50. That's for sure. Okay, that's for sure that market is going to take that line, but it will take little more time. Right now I'm going to get the reaction from the new day opening gap. you can see that reaction from here. Okay, so from 15-minute chart, it just went through this new opening gap. Sometimes you will see that it tapped to the low, then it reversed. It happens as well. That's why I told that until the low you should be confident to that specific buy. If that buy could create from this 15-minute bullish parallel gap, yeah, I would go for that buy. As it didn't do that, I am not interested to take that buy. This small part, if you understand, you don't need to come back to my live again. If you can just understand that small part, why this buy setup is not valid. If you take this buy from there, if you take that buy, you are gambling. But same buy, if it creates from this parallel gap, that is the perfect setup. This is just a small difference. That small difference can make a huge change of your trading. That is small difference. It can change your whole trading style. Guys, I just need to take a break for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, so while I'm telling you that this is the buy side liquidity which is gonna be my target, I am bullish. I will be able to look for buy if and only if market can reach either this 15-minute bullish parallel gap from entry parallel gap from here or there. So any of this parallel gap, price has to reach any of this parallel gap. Then from 1 minute chart, it has to make a bullish parallel gap. Bullish setup. Then and only then I will start to look for buy. Otherwise, no buy is valid for me. I'm not gonna take any kind of buy. Is that clear or not? Okay, if it is not clear, then I'll just I'll explain it later. Okay, shouldn't we expect the 50-minute BC to remain a breakaway gap? All I tell you that I would love to see a buy setup either from this entry parallel gap or the last parallel gap. So it can use any of these two parallel gap to reach for that buy side liquidity. So I will look for buy from 1 minute chart for the setup either from this parallel gap or from that parallel gap. When market will reach here to this parallel gap, I will start to look for a buy setup from 1 minute chart. If I get that buy setup, I will take that buy. Now maybe market will go little higher, then I will get stopped out and market will reach over here. I got stopped out, no problem. I will start to look for buy again. Same thing, liquidity taken, market structure shift, parallel gap, boom. Any of this parallel gap, if give me this setup from 1 minute chart, I will go for that buy. Otherwise, I am not going to touch this market right now. I have this buy side liquidity which is obvious, which is gonna be taken. This all the liquidity now, it is the strongest liquidity. That is strongest liquidity is gonna be taken. I was overconfirmed about that line. I didn't telling you this after this part. I outlined that even before starting today's session. But the way it started to reverse, I was unable to participate in that buy. So from there, I was unable to participate in that buy because it was some kind of area where I needed to wait for a bullish parallel gap. So when I got a bullish parallel gap, now I'm done for selling. I had started to look for buy again. So this fall, look at this fall. Some of you are thinking that market is coming here or maybe here. I don't know how far it will reach. So I'm not interested to take that sell. I will interested to look for only buy, and that buy should be created from either this parallel gap or that parallel gap. Very simple logic. If it doesn't do that, that means if market doesn't give me my price action, I'm not gonna touch this market. There should not be any confusion. I just heard you say you would take a buy. However, I was wondering why, since it's Thursday extension day for selling. Okay, as some of you are actually confused again, let me show you one thing. This is not expansion when trend is your friend until it reach in a certain level. If you go to our daily chart, you will see that there is a daily bullish parallel gap. Okay, there is a daily bullish fair value gap. Market has reached until the daily bullish fair value gap, taken every liquidity. When every liquidity has taken by Wednesday, then Thursday, if you don't see any liquidity, there is no liquidity. Trust me, go to your chart and look, there is no liquidity. I marked them as a sell side liquidity. I just, that is the 50% of a daily week. Okay, this is not sell side liquidity. As there is no sell side liquidity, market, the trend has finished. Now, when the trend has finished, there is two type of situation. First, it will consolidate. Second, it will expand against the expansion. So this was the expansion. It can expand against that expansion. That will be your retracement actually, not expansion. It should be the retracement. I was bullish from the beginning. As market reached in a certain level, so expansion has done. Thursday is not going to be the continuation of the expansion. Now, when this candle closed below this low, I had one more chance to look for that expansion. That means continuation of the expansion. At the same time, if you remember, I told if I see a big candle come back again inside this range from this low to that high, inside that range, a big candle come. Go back and watch this part again, please. I told that when I marked this low, when it will be broken, I told that if one big candle come back again to that rejection block, to that high in that specific range, I will be in a great problem, because around that area I have to either look for buy, at the same time I have to think about the sell. So I will be in a problem. I will be in a low probable trade. But if it keep falling, that is an opportunity from 1 minute chart to look for sell. Market never take the buy side liquidity, lower market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Market never do that. It started to go higher. When it started to go higher, you can't simply look for buy. You have to wait for a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart until this buy side liquidity is not taken. If this buy side liquidity has taken, you have just simply nothing to do. Simply you have just nothing to do. If market didn't take that buy side liquidity, at the same time you have some kind of bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, wait for that fair value gap. Now you can say, brother, this is the continuation of the expansion. You told that 1 minute chart is enough. That is enough. If it was keep falling, then it would be the continuation of the expansion. In that type of situation, you don't need the 15-minute fair value gap. You don't need it, because it is falling now. When it is not falling, just look at this price action. This is called consolidation, a perfect consolidation. In that type of consolidation, when you understand that trend is not your friend. Here you don't see trend is your friend. Here there is no trend is your friend. You have to depend on the 15-minute fair value gap. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear until now? Is that clear, guys? I need your answer. Okay, I need to take a break for 2 to 3 minutes, but before that I need to ask you, is that whole thing clear? Everything is clear or not? Let me know, please. It's really so beautiful when I'm here, I'm talking to you guys. Oh man, it's really so beautiful. Thank you guys for being with me. Very clear. Okay. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, GJ. Skitter's. Okay, you're right, brother. Okay, clear, crystal clear. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Minato. Thank you, guys. At the same time, don't get panic to that fall, that buy. Don't get panic. As I explained this setup over there, you have to understand the differences between you and ICT. Why ICT is the genius and you are not the genius? Why I am not the genius? Because I am believing this setup. ICT is not going to believe this setup. This run went, it doesn't give a shit, because this is not the price action. If this bullish fair value gap was over there, that was the setup. I would say a perfect setup. If it doesn't work, I will say I'm just simply unlucky because it didn't work. As I didn't have that bullish fair value gap just from 15-minute chart, I had to let this go. I don't have any opportunity to take that buy. Just no opportunity. I was unable to take that buy. Price is not giving me the opportunity. Everyone will tell you, be patient, brother, be patient, be patient, be patient. I'm telling you the way you should be patient. This is the way you have to be patient. Okay. So if you don't get the price action, you are not going to touch that market. Bullshit. I don't give a shit. I don't care. Okay. I'm sorry. I use that shit word a lot. I don't use that intentionally, to be honest. It's my, when I talk with my friends, actually, I mean, with my friends and family, I use that word too much. I mean, bullshit shit. So please don't think I'm a bad guy, but that's my problem. Okay. I don't feel that like that way. Right now, are you looking for sell? No. But you know that market can reach until this fair value cap or that fair value cap. You know that. Maybe market will never reverse from that those fair value cap. Maybe, okay? That means you are expecting something like this here, or it will reach until that area, then there. So you will start to look for buy from there and there. But what happened actually? Market never reverse. Instead of that, market come here, then it fall. That means you missed all the buying opportunity. It can happen as well. That doesn't mean you will take a sell now. It's in deep premium, brother. It's in a deep premium. I should look for sell. No, no, man. Now, I'm telling one word, one sentence. I'm sorry, okay? Don't ask me where I got this answer or whatever I'm telling you. Okay, don't ask me any question about that. I'm just telling you will just forget. That's all. Dealing runs depends on liquidity. If you have left the liquidity over here, you are not in premium. You are in discount until this liquidity is not taken. You are in discount. You don't need to mark any kind of range or anything. Until this buy side liquidity is not taken, you are in discount. Every buy is valid. Until the sell side liquidity is not taken, even if you are here, you are in premium. You can't take sell. You are in premium. Now, don't ask me any question. Don't no need to ask me the question, okay? Because I proved already a lot of time that I buy in a deep premium, I sell in a deep discount. The dealing range always depends on your liquidity. Why you are looking for that the 15-minute fair value gap? I need to see the retracement finishing line. The retracement finishing line is here. This is the finishing line because they are the 15-minute fair value gap. I need them. I'm not seeing the discount, or let me mark it, discount or premium. Okay, so here this is the 50%. So here this is also premium, but here this is my discount. This area, this two area is my discount. I will be happy to take buy from there because I know I'm in a deep discount here, not in premium. I'm in discount here because I have the food over there. When you are hungry and you are hungry, okay, just you are hungry, so hungry, you went very near to your food. Just think this food is at the top of the mountain Everest. So you just struggle to reach to that top of that mountain because there is the food. You are so hungry. Suddenly you slipped. Okay, you slept from there. You slipped from there. You fall. You are falling, falling, falling. How far you can fall? Until a certain level. When you will get some kind of some kind of a stone to catch. Okay, so that you can stop the falling. Your fall. This is that type of stone or some type of what is that called? I mean some area where that stopped your falling. Do you think that no, I would love to go little lower first to go for that food, or you will just stop over there, start to go for that food again? This is how I determine my PDRA, premium and discount. If there is no liquidity, or maybe this liquidity is here, maybe somewhere here, yeah, in that type of situation you can look for premium and discount. in this type of area, market never go for the discount. It doesn't need to go for the discount because it's too hungry and it has only food over there. It fall from there because this was the snow, the ice. Okay, that ice has broken that new day opening gap. So you thought this is the stone, but that was the ice actually. So it broke and you fall. How far you can fall? Last fair value gap is working as the inversion fair value gap. I explained this setup as well in my YouTube channel. Go and watch. I have explained this one. This setup lot of time. I proved you in my life how many times it worked. 15 minute. Okay, this is the 15-minute fair value gap. Buy here. Stop loss below the lowest swing low. This is that fair value gap. This is a place that can stop your falling. That can stop your falling. That can stop your falling. I just don't know who is going to stop your falling. Every single place I will get an opportunity for here to that fair value gap. I will look for this thing. Now I'm not influencing you because I have already explained that to my YouTube channel. If you are interested, you can just keep that in your mind. Okay, this setup, keep that in your mind. I will see this one from there. If it reaches to this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, I will start to look for this thing. 1 minute liquidity taken, market structure, fair value gap, boom. 22 YT model. This model is valid for these two fair value gap, and this setup is valid from this fair value gap. That inversion 15-minute last fair value gap. All of them are valid. Now it's up to you how to use this whole concept. Okay, if it doesn't give it to you, don't give a shit. I don't give. Premium and discount. I can prove you that lot of your follower, the one you love. Okay, some days they will say premium and discount 50%, something like that. Okay, equilibrium. And then some days they will never even name of that premium and discount array because it didn't work over there, and they are not even able to explain that one, because if they explain that, they are going to lose all of their whatever they're spreading. They're going to lose that. Whatever, I'm not interested to look for that. Is premium and discount array exist? Absolutely it exists, but it depends on liquidity. Where is your liquidity? If your liquidity is very near to you, you don't need to think about that. If the premium and liquidity is too far from you, yeah, you are good to go for that premium and discount. It's something like that. Okay, trendy days price do not reach discounts. Yeah, it's true, brother. Whatever. So I will just take a 2 to 3 minutes break. But before going to break, I would love to do an advertisement here. This is the Apex. If any of you are interested about Apex trading, copy trading actually, then here we have 80% off. Discount code is NLCKHFMI. 150, 250 and 300k accounts are only for $40. If you can pass them, you have to pay $85 for lifetime fees. Okay, I prefer 150k account. That is the best account. You can see today's volatile market. In this volatile market, 150k account is the only account where you should trade. If you trade 50k account, you will blow it. Trust me, brother. You will blow that account. If you are wrong, you will blow that account. So 150k account is the perfect account. Don't go for 250 or 300k. As you can see, 150, 250 and 300. All of them are just for $40. So the price is same. But if you look for 250 or 300k, you are actually inviting more risk, more greedy to your account. Don't do that. Don't be greedy. Be happy with 150k. That's the perfect account. Okay, in my opinion, I had 150k account actually. I was good with that 150k, and I trade 50k account, 100k account as well. But I don't feel comfortable with those account. But 150, oh, that's awesome, in my opinion. Okay. By the way, these offers are valid until 15th August, and after that, it's not valid anymore. And if any of you are interested about top step or something like that way, then my funded futures are providing you the best or cheapest plan. Okay, 50K account is just for $80. If you use the code T2 Wizard, you will get the link and the code to my description, also to the comment as well. Then you will get 5% discount, so it's gonna be $76 only for 50K account. 100K account is gonna be $142, something like that. If you use that code, you will get the discount, 5% discount over there. If you can pass it, you will start to earn the money, and it has the very good opportunity to go for the live account actually, because after 600, I guess 6,000, you will transfer to the live account. So it's very easy in my opinion. And you know the maximum loss is 2,500 and your target is $3,000. So you can see one day pass, just one day pass. If you can get that $3,000 by one day, you are done. Okay, so this is the I've just give you the example of 50K account, and you can see the 100K, 150K. By the way, 150K is my preferred account. That is the starter, and here is the expert plan. Over there you don't have any scaling plan, payout cap or nothing. Okay, so you have some more freedom over here, but I prefer starter account. Trade starter account. That's my preferred. If any of you are interested about expert, yeah, you can go for that, but I prefer starter account 150K. But make sure that you have used that T2 Wizard. Even if you fail to pass it, then the reset is gonna be much cheaper. $80 is gonna be $50. $100 account is gonna be $70. If you use the code, then you will get the discount as well from the reset code, from the reset as well. Okay, so $50 is gonna be $47, something like that. So make sure that you have used that. I can see that some of you use that account but didn't take the code. Maybe you use the link. Okay, so in that type of situation you didn't get the discount. Please take the discount, don't just give me the money. If you want to give me some partial from there, I'll be happy, but make sure that you have taken that 5% off as well. So you use the T2 Wizard. You will get that link and the code to the description if any of you are interested. Okay, so it came here to this bullish fair gap from 15 minutes set. Look over there. Okay, so if it give me a bullish market structure shift now, yeah, I'll go for that buy. If it doesn't give me a bullish market structure or bullish setup or anything, I'm not gonna touch it. I'll just see how beautifully it has taken that buy side liquidity. Either way, I wouldn't go to hold my trade, and after this new day opening gap. But here I am not interested to rush. If it doesn't give me the opportunity, I'll just let it go. I don't care, I will let it go, but I'm not gonna force the market. Oh man, market inversion, fair value gap, water block, blah 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 blah. I don't give a shit. I'm just not interested to take entry without 22 YT model over here. Okay guys, I'll be back within 2 minutes. Okay, just 2 to 3 minutes. I'll take a break and I will close my stream around 12. I'm really happy to be here after near about 9 days. Yeah, I'm sorry because I was unable to famous setup today. I'm sorry for that because I didn't get the price action. I believe that you learned something from here, how to wait for the perfect price action. If you learn that part, you don't need to come back again to my live because you are now self-dependent. That is the part I'm trying to teach you. Oh, sorry, not teach. Actually, I'm not able to teach you because you know better than me. I'm here to sharing that specific understanding when you should look for the setup, when this setup is the perfect setup, and when I'm not gonna even touch that setup. This is the part I was trying to share with you guys. If any of you got that, congratulations, brother. You don't need to come back again to my live. Okay, the way the guy who's what was his name? Stoic. I don't remember the name actually. Someone I don't remember, but I know him very well. Okay, he just told that brother, you told us to unsubscribe you because you want us to be self-dependent. He just commented that. He just commented that brother, I'm gonna unsubscribe you because I'm feeling that I'm self-dependent now. I want that message from all of you. I want all of you to unsubscribe me. When you will just tell me that brother, I'm self-dependent now. I know how to trade this market. I am the wizard. So I'm going to unsubscribe you. Trust me, brother. I won't feel bad. I'm here only for that, so that you can be the wizard of this market. You don't need to come back to me again. Be self dependent. I am giving you everything. The real way to read this price, I'm giving it to you. See this small price action? If that happened around that area, nobody started comment, I took that buy, I took that buy, or I took that sell. Nobody commented over there. It went higher, everyone just come and I took that buy, that was a perfect buy, perfect buy. The bullshit. There was no buy setup. There was no sell setup. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll be back within 2 minutes. So guys, I'm back actually. Now I'm just telling you the problem over here. I'm very near to 12. Okay, so 12. But this is the perfect setup. A perfect setup. Again, this is the perfect setup. See this fair value gap? You will take your buy from this fair value gap here. Just I'm putting it over there. Cover that low, target until that area. Just cover here. You can hold your trade until that area, no problem. But just make sure that you have taken a partial to this last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. You have taken a partial to that 1 minute last fair value gap. This is a perfect setup. Again, if I were trading, I would go for that trade. Now my stop loss would be here around that area, because see this the two down close candle, I would cover the mean threshold of that two down close candle over there. This is the mean threshold. I would cover that mean threshold only. This would be the perfect setup for me. Again, as it is very near to 12 p.m., that means the lunch hour, it can be failed. If it failed, I will say a perfect setup didn't work. I am telling you again, this is the perfect setup for me. I will put it over there below that low, and I'll just put it there to that fair value gap. I'm going to remove this one here. I will keep that on my chart. And as I told, if you say perfect setup, this is that perfect setup. If I are trading now, let's talk about me. Yeah, I got stopped out over here. Around that area, I got stopped out. When market will close above this fair value gap again, I will take a re-entry over there. But as I am in front of all of you guys, so I will put the stop loss over there. What is logical? The way you trade. This candle has made this fair value gap, so I covered this candle. Okay, this candle low, I covered it. I'm telling you the truth. If I were trading, yeah, I got stopped out over here. Again, I got stopped over here. Where you should put your stop loss, around that area. If it doesn't work, you will say perfect setup just didn't work. Simply. Now, you wanna judge me by this? I don't care, because this is my style of trading. I don't want to hold my trade for that huge long. Instead of that, I will take a loss for maybe some kind of $14 to $15, something like that. Sorry, $15, something like that. Then I will take re-entry over there, and I will catch that $45. Sorry, 45 handle. I'll catch that 45 handle, at least partial over there, and I will hold my trade until this low of this new day opening gap, something like that. This is my way to trade. As you are here, I'm not doing that. Instead of that, I'm putting the stop loss where you have learned to put your stop loss, below the candle which has made this fair value gap. Okay, so over there, where I why I took that entry, because it tapped where this is the bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. The bullish entry fair value gap. This is the bullish entry fair value gap. Price tapped over there, went higher. Market structure shift, fair value gap. Tap to this fair value gap, immediate reaction. Should keep going higher. If it didn't work, there can be the only reason is market is very near to lunch hour. That can be the only reason for for you know failing this trade. Otherwise, this is the perfect setup that should work. Now that doesn't mean you are going to copy my trade. Please don't copy my trade, or don't just don't push your button because I'm telling you this should work. Okay. This is my order block. Market should not go back again the 50% of that candle. It should not go below the 50% of that candle, at least before reaching to this last parabola from 1 minute chart. Now I don't need to say that I would be stopped out over here. Maybe you will say, okay, brother, you would get stopped out over there. Bullshit. I'm telling you the truth. What I do and what you should do. It's up to you, brother. I don't I don't really care, brother. To be honest, I really don't care. I will tell you the truth. What I would do and what you should do. So if I pushed my button, my stop loss would be over there. That's for sure. And I would take re-entry over here. And I would catch my trade until the low of this parallel gap here. Until that area. Simply. There, boom. Ah, Martin. Martin, there is nothing logical. Until now, have you ever heard that this is the perfect setup, perfect setup, perfect setup? I am telling again and again. When I push something, that work 95% of the time, because this is the exact thing you should look for. For today, this is the only trade until now you can take with logic, with price action, with everything. Where did it take? You take your stop loss, partial, put your stop loss to the break even. Put your stop loss to the break even, hold your trade until the high of this new opening gap, or maybe until this extreme high. It's up to you until that area. No problem. But put your stop loss to the break even. This parallel gap should be unfilled. That parallel gap should be unfilled. If it can lift that parallel gap unfilled, trust me, market is going to take that buy sell liquidity. If simply this parallel gap can be unfilled, you put your stop loss to the break even, you are happy, because after taking the partial, you put a stop loss in a logical level. Even if you get stopped out, you don't give a shit. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, thanks for that boom, man. Thanks for that boom. Thank you so much to all of you, man. So you are not ready to wait until this time. What can I do for you, brother? You are interested to take that by that, but this is bullshit. If you do anything over here, you are gambling. Here, this is the logical trade, only logical trade for today. Just this trade is the logical trade. Now my target is over there, my stop loss is at that area. Where I will put my stop loss, this is my stop loss now. Here, I trail my stop loss. Why? Because I'm believing this is going to hold the price. This parallel gap is not going to be filled 100%. That is my belief right now. So my stop loss is safe over here, around that area, just below that unfilled area. It's safe, at least until that high is not taken. You have more than 2 contract, no problem. Take another partial around that area. You have to take the partial to this rejection block here, to that line. Take a partial around that area, hold it until that area. Until that area, hold it. But you have to take the partial here. You have to take the partial again. See this stop loss? I will trail it. Where? Just let me trail it. See this down close candle over there? Just below that down close candle. I'm gonna trail it until the low of this down close candle. Why? Because this is now my order block. Here, this is my order block now. If it can take the rejection block, you have more than 2 contract, no problem. Take a partial over there. Hold your trade until that buy sell liquidity. Now, when it reached to this high of this new day opening gap, if it react from there, make sure that you trail your stop loss too far. At least here around that area, the low of this last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. If it react from the high of this new day opening gap, why? Because it can stop the price. This new day opening gap কি সমা? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে মা, শুভ আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে না, look over there, I got my boom again. Just look over there, 80 handle, you take your partial, no problem, another boom, perfect, hold it until that area. If you didn't take the partial, if you have no opportunity to take the partial, close your trade over there. It is forbidden, close your trade, don't hold it until that area. If you are unable to take the partial, close your trade over there, simply close your trade over there, just close your trade over there. Here your stop loss should be here as well, you can't move it because this is the last fair from 1 minute chart. It should not break the consonant crossband. If it even break the consonant crossband, no problem, it can reach until the low of this 1 minute last fair gap. So your stop loss should be safe over there. If you don't take the partial, you are gambling, don't gamble, close your trade over there. Still now until that area 80 handle, do you think it's not enough? You need that huge 113 handle? No man, just no, close your trade over there because you are unable to take the partial. Simple. Okay, okay, so guys, that is the price action for today. I would love to ask you a question now. Which setup comfort you most? To that fall, you are waiting until a certain level. Where is that a certain level? From 15-minute chart, bullish fair value gap, last fair value gap. The setup can create from there. The setup can create from there. Anywhere you got the setup from there, you have to believe it. You got stopped out, don't get angry. Don't think this is not working. You got stopped out, that means market is reaching for this fair value gap. When it will reach over there, start to look for buy again. You got the setup from there, go for that trade. How far? The low of this nude opening, 1 minute last fair value gap, around that area. Close your trade over there. 45 handle, more than enough, brother. You take a partial, no problem. Then close your trade to the rejection block. Don't go to that high. Close your trade to the rejection block. Close your trade to the rejection block. Now, here another thing is happening. Look, the new day opening gap high is holding the price. See, it's holding the price. You don't know when you should look for the closing. I mean, rejection block, no worries. Then close your trade to this high of that new day opening gap. Just close your trade. You have the partial area, take the partial, trail your stop loss, get a stop out over here. From here, so until there to there, your stop loss is also covering 44 handle. Now, I really don't want to say that I am boss or something like that. No, I'm not here to show off myself. I am here to show you how to wait for the setup, how to look for the setup, when you should look for the setup, why that buy is not valid, why that sell is not valid. Okay, so that is all my. Where is the liquidity taken, brother? You didn't mark the liquidity taken. The liquidity has taken over there. This was the liquidity taken over there. That fall, see that fall, it has taken the liquidity. Then market went higher, shifted. This swing high has traded that fair value gap. Market has been shifted. Fair value gap, immediate reaction. 1, 2. The second candle has traded this fair value gap. But brother, it went lower, much more lower. Why did it reach over there? That was the order block. I know I'm not interested to talk about this order block. Why this is order block? Why it is not order block? Actually, this is the propulsion block. I'm not interested to talk about this. Now, I'm not saying that what to say. My members, they know what is this propulsion block. What is that propulsion block? They knows better than me. Okay, they knows better than 1,000 times better than me. This is falling now. Do I care? I really don't care. I got my trade. I'm done. I don't care, brother. Thank you, bro. You are amazing. Okay, that's cool. I'm amazing. Okay. Will you trade PM session? I'm not gonna trade anymore in my life again. Okay. I'm not gonna trade and I am not coming live again today, at least not for today. I'm not coming today. Because brother, just keep telling you that something, and when it is happening against me, then frame a setup, trade. This is a lot of pressure, okay? Because you guys are not ready yet to learn this thing. I got some kind of objection from you guys when I say that you say that I get angry. No, I don't get angry, okay? I feel upset when you take buy here, when you take sell there. I get upset because I know what you want me. I did it in my life lot of time and it punished me. Today I was lucky. I just I don't have anything to say, okay, to be honest, brother. The guys who took the buy here and who didn't take the buy, but still they are thinking, I missed that run. You are not ready yet to trade real money. I promise you, brother. Okay, I'm not here. Trust me, I'm not asking anything from you guys. Nothing. I'm keep telling this whole thing so that you can understand. Whoever didn't take that buy, you are the best. But if you ever feel, if I pushed my trade button over there, I could catch that run. You are not ready yet for trading because you are expecting something that you should not expect it. You should not expect that buy run, that sell run. No, you have no way to take that. You are unable to catch that on. Man, yesterday in my Twitter in live, I just let it load little bit. Go to my Twitter, okay? Here is my link on my description. If any of you are confused and if you don't believe me, just go to my Twitter. In my Twitter, I was unable to come in live. In my Twitter, I simply say that mark that fair value gap over there. There was a fair value gap, okay? If any of you are with me in my Twitter, tell me if I tell you wrong. I told that take that sell. Take the sell from there until a level. I don't remember how far I was looking for sell, but that was the fair value gap. Directly tell that when market was going higher, okay, around that area. Wait, yeah, here. When market was going higher around that area, it was going higher. I told that mark certain level around that area. It was going higher. I told that don't look for buy, just look for sell. That is my next favorite target. I would love to see market will go higher, lower over there. Then market fall perfectly. That was the setup. A perfect setup around that area. The best setup around that area. After that area, when market reached here, I told that I'm done for selling. No more sell. Mark that line. 1900, 300. Sorry, 19,300. Mark that line. Perfectly went higher. Here, I showed them if I don't follow the rules, what can happen? I didn't follow the rules. I forced the market. I got punished over there. I have to show it to you. Now, in my life, I actually show that most of the time, but you guys misunderstand me. That's why I didn't show. I don't show that anymore here in my life, but I tweeted in my Twitter in live when I forced the market over there. What happened? I knew that market is going over there, but I didn't wait for that. The way I waited until this setup today, I didn't wait for that setup yesterday. What happened? It punished me. That is the part you have to understand. You have to wait for the perfect way. Got the market structure shift inside a setup, inside a setup. When you get the market structure shift, hold it until that area. Took that buy side liquidity, done. You are done for that day. 77 handle over there. I'm here just to show you. This line, I didn't mark it right now. I marked it even before starting today's AM session. I told that this is my favorite level. But the way it was going higher, from there, I was unable to participate that run. If market can make a bullish fair value gap, just a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart from there, trust me, I would catch most of this run. I would be able to catch that run. I was unable. Finally, I got the opportunity to catch that one from there. I catch it. Perfectly catch it. I know where it is going. Until this buy side liquidity, it's not going to stop. It's not going to your discount, equilibrium. No, it's not going over there. It's not going over there. There is a resting place, entry variable gap from 15-minute chart. That is the resting place. It tapped to this entry variable gap perfect way. Boom. This is that unfilled area. What should you look for? High, low, sorry, low, high, lower, low, low, high, lower, low. What is that? What is that candle? Tell me, what is that candle? What is that candle? Why I'm marking the word breaker block over there? Why, brother? Why you are marking that breaker block? I have already uploaded the video how to mark the breaker block. This candle closed above this breaker block. This breaker block is valid now. Why I'm looking for the breaker block? Because this is unfilled area. That should not be filled. It has filled, no problem. I'll start to look for breaker block now. The highest up close body close candle is gonna be breaker block. Until how long you are looking for that? You know. But brother, it's a very small run. It's sorry. Yep, 36 handle, very small for you. Very small for you. But for me, it's huge, man. For me, it's huge. What is that breaker block? 95% winning rate I got from this breaker block. 95% winning rate. 95%. 36 handle, it's not enough for you. I'm sorry, I'm unable to teach you. I'm just unable to teach you. How many setups do you need? You will get, but for that you have to wait. You just can't. You can't. You can't fly with the with this 1 minute setup. You can't do that. That is forbidden. You can't do that. That's forbidden. Yeah, there is the Twitter link. So if any of you are interested to join our Twitter family, you can join it. You can see it to the comment box. Okay, that's TNT candle. What is TNT? What is TNT? Winston, look. High of the of day taken during lunch. No logic whatsoever in this. What do you mean by high in the? I didn't understand, brother. Tito, what should we do after taking that buy side liquidity? After taking this buy side liquidity, you have to keep looking for buy. There is no way to look for sell now. There is only way to look for buy because there is no sell side liquidity rest below there. So you should keep looking for buy maybe until this parabol gap, though it has low probability to reach until that last parabol gap, but still you have only opportunity to look for buy only. Okay, so here every single time it will make a setup from 1 minute chart, you will look for buy, or you can use the 15-minute. For example, this is the order block. If it reach until that order block, until market is above this new opening gap, you will keep looking for buy. Simple. Market go below this new opening gap, maybe you will be able to look for sell. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, it needs, but yeah, I am only interested to look for buy even after taking this buy side liquidity. If it just go one tick above this buy side liquidity, then come back again. Okay, something like that. For example, it's a shallow run. After the shallow run, market come back, fall again, then I will start to look for this last parallel gap. When I will keep looking for sell until this last parallel gap, it reaches to this last parallel gap, I will start to look for buy again to that specific buy side liquidity. Now maybe it 15-minute chart, big candle, okay, body close, big candle above that buy side liquidity, I'll keep looking for buy until it proves me wrong. I will keep looking for buy. Okay, I talk too much. TNT explosive. Okay. That was a nice reply, Winston. Look, you stop trading for today. Oh man, there was this next setup. Okay, I mean second setup over here. So the first setup was here. until the rejection block. This is the second setup until this buy side liquidity and that area, this breaker block entry. Now this guy knows how little bit about trading. Trust me, I know little bit about trading. Don't just think that I don't know anything. While I'm trying to tell you what you should do. If you ask me, brother, can you trade in that things, in that fall? I promise you, brother, I know how to trade this thing, that thing. I know that. You will know that as well, but not now. Not at the starting. At the starting, you will look for this. Just for this one. Now if you know the breaker block, you can go for that one. Okay. Otherwise, just this setup. Because when you saw this thing until it reached until that area, it started to fall. Some of you started to think that, brother, you are wrong. It's not going to take that buy side liquid. It is going to fall. Man, you are so hungry. Trust me, you are so hungry. You're very near to that food. Are you going to leave that food? You are going to leave that food? Oh man. I'm sorry. Uh, it can come back again to this breaker block one more time. It can do that. I don't want to see that. Obviously, it can do that. I'm not saying that it can't come back again. Of course, it can come back, but I don't want to see that. I would love to see it will, even if just tap to the high, tap to that line. It will tap to that line, then it will fall, even if it would want to fall. But it has to tap to this line, then it can fall. There is nothing wrong. There you go. 37 handle. Not bad. Trust me, it's not bad. SK Trades T2 is the market maker. Oh man, I'm not the market. That 15-minute small fabric was a killer here too. Yup. Thank you guys for that. So yeah, that's the thing I tried to explain today. I know some of you get angry on me why I'm not looking for buy around that area. I can talk about the buy here. I can talk about the sell here. I can do that, but it's not good for you. Trust me, man. It's not good for you. Leave them. This run, leave them. Don't even touch that fall, that thing, because this is just 1 minute. If you don't say anything from 15 minutes, don't touch that market, because if you believe this market, you know that you are going to get your opportunity now or then. Maybe you are not going to get it. Don't worry, tomorrow you will get it. So you will see it tomorrow. I'll see you, brother, tomorrow. I'll see you. I don't give a shit today. Thank you guys. So happy you were back, Chitu. While you were out, I watched Tanya's live and became so confused with her trading, both ICT students, but you are so clear with your price action. Okay, I specialize. Tanya is also so good. Okay, she's one of the best. To be honest, she's one of the best. I mean, what to say? I mean, she's one of the best. To be honest, comparing with her, I am nothing. I'm just nothing. Brother, I closed my trade over there. I should have held it until that area. No, you have to close your trade around that area. You have to close. This is the rule. You can't hold your trade until that area. But brother, I have more than one contract. Okay, okay. Then take a partial. Hold it until you want. If you take the partial, then I have no boundary for you. Just no boundary. Taking partial, put your stop loss to the break even. Yeah, you have no boundary. How long you want to hold your trade, I don't know. I don't care. But if you don't take partial, this is your last line. You can't hold your trade not even one tick above that one. Even I will prefer one tick below that line. One tick below that line, you should close your trade. Okay. Okay. Yes, Pisa is very true. I truly don't understand Tanya's trade. Okay, don't talk about her because she's one of the best. Okay. So yeah, if some of you don't know who is Tanya, she's one of the best. And yeah, she's better than me, to be honest. She's better than me, bro. You really okay? Today I talked too much because it's near about 9 days I didn't talk to you guys. So 9 days without talking to you. You can understand how much I'm gonna disturb you. I'm waiting little more to see how it is going to close above that buy sell liquidity, so that I can give you a little idea about the PM session. That's why I'm just waiting to see how this candle is gonna close. After this candle close from 15 minutes chat, yeah, I'll close my stream. Okay. I just want to see how it is going to close. And it is so precise, knows what he wants. Okay, I have no idea. Hey Shiva, thanks for that penguin man. She's always precise. She don't teach like you. 100% you teach for us. Okay. I will just take it as a compliment. Don't compare me with her. Okay. Don't compare me with anyone else, because I'm no one. To be honest, I'm just no one. I am no one. I'm here for my brothers and sisters. I'm here so that they can be the wizard of this market. They can challenge everyone. I watched yours and Tania's stream and I feel okay. Again, skaters, please stop this. Okay, please stop this. Don't compare me. Thanks for that, penguin Rakesh. Thanks for that, penguin IS precise. Tanis, okay. Apex, please stop. Trader boy, thanks for that, penguin man. Our teacher is back. I am back. Inshallah, from tomorrow I'll be back. Okay, brother, learn to be disciplined and above all the fruits of staying disciplined. Yeah, that's the part. If you understand how to be disciplined, trust me man, this market is going to give you the entry. It is keep giving you the entry. There is no one who can stop that. But you have to understand how far you have to wait. Sometimes that you will see that I pushed my button around 9:30. Sometimes I pushed my button around 12. This whole day I was waiting. Just I was waiting. I didn't push my button. I didn't take my button. Look over there, how much my stop loss was? 24 handle, right? More than 20 handle. What did I say? This is the perfect setup. I will go for that. This is the perfect. How many times did I say? But every single time, what did I say? This is more than 20 handle. No, I am not going for that. I'm gonna let it go. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm let it go. Why? Because that was not perfect. Here, this one. Did I see it? No, I took a break. I explained what I am expecting. Then market gave me that. I am perfect here. I am very much confident with that trade. If it didn't work, it can be fall. I mean, I can be wrong over there. I can be wrong. I will say a perfect setup just didn't work. This breaker block, trust me, man. This breaker block give me 95% winning rate. Out of 100 entry, it will give me 95 winning trade. What is the logic? Just you need to mark this unfilled area. That's all you need. You will be able to mark this. But brother, this is in deep premium. As I told you, there is the food. You have to mark your dealing runs depending on your liquidity. If you can mark your liquidity, trust me, man, dealing runs is gonna be useless for you. I'm not telling against ICT. Obviously, dealing runs is important, but that's too complicated. The way everyone will show you the dealing runs, it's not the right way. I'm not telling against them, because they know how to use the dealing runs, but they are not explaining you that exact way. Can I explain it to you? I can, but if I explain it right now, you will misunderstand me. To be honest, it's true. You can say, no, brother, we are not going to misunderstand me. Then you are not going to understand whatever I will tell you about that. You will never understand that. So, yeah, everything is related. I'm going one after another, one after another. Just let me go with my speed. I will give you everything. Am I not giving you something? Didn't I teach you this entry variable gap, this last variable gap? Wasn't they so precise? Didn't I teach you the expansion? The expansion, didn't I teach you this? Why today I'm not expecting the expansion? Did I explain that? This is the part, brother. You're way too humble, man. Lots of love to you. Thank you, Skittrades. Tanya is a good trader, and if you don't like the way she trades, just stay off her lives. Period. Yeah, that's true. CEO Cross, CEO Crush, that's true. I mean, she's a good trader. She's good trader. Okay. If any of you doesn't like, just don't watch her. That's all. If you don't like me, don't watch me. Simple. Please, how can we spot volatile days like this when we can hold for 50 handles? No, I didn't hold for 50 handles. Here, I didn't even look how many handles I'm going to get. I didn't see it. I just marked the last fair gap and the rejection block. Okay. So I don't care how much handle is it is going to be. I'm not holding it until that area because I'm going to get 46 handle. No. This is the low of the last fair gap. So I'm going to hold it until that area. So if it is 46 handle, I will get that 46 handle. If it is 146 handle, I will get that 146 handle. If it is 16 handle, 15 handle, 10 handle, I will hold it until that 10 handle. So logic is I'm not looking at handle. I will look for this handle only about my stop loss. I am only care about the handle when my stop loss placement is over there. Okay. Uh, Today when you were saying no trade, no trade, no trade, I blew 2 accounts in the process. Now I know how and why I blew account. This session is an eye opener for me. Okay, Rakesh. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. That you blew your account, but what to say, I don't know, brother. I tried my level best, and as I told, if any of you are trading your real money, you're free to go. Okay, because the people who will say that they took buy, they took profit from there, they will blow their account. Whoever took sell and they were just shouting over there that I took sell there. And again, I'm not telling Tim or Eric, I'm not telling to you guys, okay, because other out of you two there are some other messages as well, so I'm not pointing at you guys. Whoever took the sell over there with their real money or the evil whatever it is, they're gonna blow their account. Today or tomorrow they will blow their account. I promise you, I challenge him. If he can show me his account, whoever was trading, he will blow his account. That's for sure. I promise you, man. Because here, this is all just gambling, pure gambling, without any logic. No logic is over there. Okay. Uh, Cost of education. It will help you not blow up large amount of money later on. This guy Titu is just amazing. Thank you, AFX. Thank you, man. The narrative sections was an eye opener. Thank you, Biro. Yeah, I tried my level best to make them simple. So simple. I mean, so simple. Take with the stop loss only. Please don't add to loser or also micro strike. Yeah, you can do that. Are you still looking for long? If we returns back to say, yeah, I am only looking for buy only. I'm not looking for sell anymore. I will only looking for buy because this candle has closed. 50-minute, this candle has closed above this buy side liquidity. This is a body close. Yeah, it can fall little bit to trade this order block. See this consecutive order block or until this area, it can fall little bit. But until market is above this new opening gap, I will keep looking for buy. How far I will go for buy? This is the last favorable gap or this new week opening gap. Okay. Now I am not expecting that market is going to go for this new week opening gap. I'm not expecting that. It can go for that. I have the buy side liquidity here. This is the buy side liquidity from 50-minute chart. Now this buy side liquidity is my next target. I'm not saying that market is going to take that today. Okay, this parallel gap is my next target. So every time market here, this is my another buy setup. See this one, this is my another buy setup. If it can make a parallel gap over here, if it can make, okay, if it doesn't make a parallel gap, then obviously this is not a setup. But if it can make a buy setup, this is my another buy setup around that area. Are you going to take that on? It's up to you. It's in the lunch hour. How many times did I tell you that no entry is valid around lunch hour? So what you should do, you should feel the market here, something like that. Okay, I mean something like that. You should feel the market. That's all. I mean, when it will make the fair value gap. If it fail to make the fair value gap, then obviously this setup is not valid. Why this one is here? Trade is my friend again because the buy is valid. The buy is now is my trend. So here This market has taken this sell side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. I will expect the buy again now. Every single time market will do that, I'll go for that. Again, this is launch hour, so risk is yours. I just told you, I will keep looking for that. But the best option is to wait for some kind of higher time frame, something like that, because still now market didn't confirm that does it need the higher time frame or not. So when it is not confirmed, I think we should wait a little more. Okay, someone has taken the membership, Divesh Thakur. Okay, hey Divesh, thank you, man. Thanks for that. So just keep that in your mind, this setup. Okay, I just removed it, but keep that in your mind. I'm gonna close my session for today, and don't trade inside this lunch hour. Make sure that you are not trading inside this lunch hour. Okay. Assalamu alaikum Chitu. Walaikum assalam. See your Cruz. Walaikum assalam. How are you, brother? Thanks, man. Thanks for that wizard. I was trading a challenge account. Sometimes I have little to try to pass those. Lol. When you are trading challenge, there is no rules. I told that beforehand a lot of time that when you are trading uh, your challenge account, there is no rules. Just trade it. By anyhow, pass it. Okay. All the rules are applicable only in Express account. Okay. So because challenge account is never mind. Tinmoy, what do you actually use for trading? I mean, which platform? If you use Apex, Bluenox, or funded futures, but don't forget to use that code. Okay, T2 Wizard. Don't forget to use that code. Okay, till next buy target. Yeah, I'm only looking for buy, but target as I showed the last paragraph. Okay, but no entry is valid inside the launch hour. Please don't forget that rules. That is the rules, because inside the launch hour, the best setup also doesn't work sometimes. Okay, so guys, thank you for joining. I talked too much today. Thank you T2 for showing me the way. Okay, Manu, be patient. You are the most impatient guy in my channel. Still, I'm trying, brother. Challenge account is equal to YOLO. Yeah, still look. Okay, there is no rules for challenge account. You are free to go. You're free to go. To be honest, you're free to go. So, guys, one more time, I would love to advertise a little bit. Then I will close my session. Okay, here is my Apex to 80% off. If any of you are interested about Apex, you can use that code NLCKHFMI. Trust me, very soon I'm gonna change it to T2 Wizard. I mean, I need just 10 more affiliation. I mean, 10 more referral, then I'll be able to change it. After 100% purchase, I'll be able to change it to T2 Wizard. So I just need 10 more referral. 150k, 250k, and 300k are just for $40. If you pass it, you have to pay $85. I prefer 150k only. Okay, that is the best option for me, and I suggest to catch that 150k. Don't go for 250 and 300k. That's my advice. Okay, if any of you are interested about a best deal, okay, then this funded futures, this is the best deal, is going to provide you 50k account is just for $80. You don't need to pay any activation fee, no activation fee. You will get 1 month chance to pass it. If you can pass it within one day, you are done. You are going to get the real money, and yeah, you are going to get some profit from the real account. Okay, it's really so cheap. Trust me, man. Comparing with other famous platform, this is the cheapest one. If you use the code T2 Wizard, you will get a link to the description. You will get a 5% off, so it's gonna be $76. If you fail to pass it and you would love to reset it, then it's gonna be cost only $50. Okay, for 50k account. Same for 100k, $150. You will use the T2 Wizard code, it's gonna be $142, something like that. Reset is gonna be $70. If you use the code over here as well, then you will get 5% off as well from there. Okay, so, and the 150k, that's my preferable. I would love to prefer that on 150k. Same thing, if you use the code T2 Wizard, you will get the discount over there. And here on the bottom, You can see the expert plan where there is no scaling, no payout cap, no consistency, nothing. Okay, so you can choose them as well. Use the T2 wizard code for the discount and for helping the wizard. Okay, so yeah, if any of you are interested about that, the funded futures, this is the best deal in my opinion so far. At the top left corner there is your Bluenox, which has 83% off. The code is same, T2 wizard. Okay, so yeah, I stop step X and Apex and will use your code the next time I buy one. Haven't done one in a while. Okay, don't blow it, please don't blow it for using my code. Don't blow it. Okay, instead just pass it and invite me for the to visit your country. Okay, and before inviting me, make sure that your wife knows that I'm going over there, because otherwise she can kill you. Okay, she can kill you. Thanks for your time, Tito. No problem. The hobby guy. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining. I hope tomorrow everything, if everything is okay, I'll be here tomorrow as well. And yeah, so until